Wodofo mema akwaba edeba Adom TV. Dwumadie we eye enkranhye ensem emre. Na me amte dwama me de ho chia me edi amje so eye nita kotego. Me da asese wo de afidi ato ha. Me ka kire se me ma me tumi afu bi emra na me si so no. Ya na ma nkoyie. Ya na bia me ko school ani atwo so hwe. Na se ka me di first ma ko di third. Na me wura ho sa me pa me ni ma de se na ma ko di third. Ebu onso ana yapon school no obi abọ me kwa so pa be fa me so sa ma me so look enya wonko obi afa mu bi na mo me ma me afuto bi o de ma me no o say regardless of your age, if you want to lead a better life, it all comes down to a single word. Regardless of the age you are now, and fa ho fie do awadi so we 10 years, so we 2 years, so we 20 years, so you're 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And found and pempenso abrabo aduro. Or say abrabo no say ebe ya ejinade ba ko sope. Or say focus. Focus. Ni awode wane to. If you learn to give attention and motivate yourself to put your efforts on your values and your life will change. So what the wadwene anywhere nyina to ne yefend the values they are so mboma wo oh values eye kasa ba ko bia me pepa me to me wo 4 values enoma me gina so de bubra e de fa me timopo e the values se meye bibia bibisa won say aso enoma meyo no aso ene me values no bobra anane na ekọ me value ba ko respect obuo ba ko responsibility. Semia bibi nkoye meja tumi semi na meyo mana koye ba ko ye integrity pepepe yo ne koreka na ba ko ye innovation sema system nti abere bia me bubra. I ask myself, have I shown enough respect? Am I responsible enough? Am I integrous enough? Have I been able to innovate? Se meye bibia na me no bubra esem bisa me so me nidi ama maja tumi se esem ye de ameye no empo de ame ye no kure pa no na metima sesem ema foforo abamu. These are my 4 values. Oh wade, oh ye adwuma, wo sua de. You need to have values. You will empim wo wiase and that day met say wo hwe me a wo so pel values. The same values no e kasa kwanan: respect, responsibility, integrity, and innovation. Also betumi apa ode e bi dey love, e bi dey companionship, e bi dey hard work, e bi dey excellence, e bi dey team spirit. E kasa bebre wo pa no obi san say ase ne sen na utimi hu sa na da bia ba bibia e na bebo abrabo ho ban say the tibra no abrabo be ba bebre ni values. Your values must inform your vision. Wa abrabo ni so ade hu no empo abraba me boy me de koduru he afisa na he na mepese ma abraba koduru enfie mienu se na enfie nu efine no he na mepese ma abraba koduru ma pomodne ma wade amisikasem. How do I want it to look like? That means you have a vision. Obetwa mfoni wa wadwen pon so sempo afisa na se me wana me yire hu say be ma we de uja me wanka mewu wo de menya wo na asemenya wi ase no ma nyina se wotimi enya mfoni we wo adwen proso na wa pa kade a betimi da na adie na oyire hia wo a waboaba so amammo piafo se wo pa kade a betimi ada na adie okuru hia se ohema wo de we ya mabrabo mu tofe ba kope se wo pa kade a beba ka wadwuma yo ho na empo wonya mpuntuo wadwuma mu na wa pa kade ene ensem abada na adie na bibia koyi wabrabo na a friend of vision. How do I want my life to look like? What do I want people to call me? A dim pen and person nipa frame. A dim ben obishe ma wade a me person de to no. Abrabo and adechi ne ade se bia abrabo eye krata a wo twere mu nioma. Ti said ya actual book. Wo ne ye ene wo kasa ene ye pen na ade twere abrabo mu story. You can always change your life story if you change your behavior and change the way you talk to others. You can always change your life story. Ebiana story de ma wo no because we kwasampani story. Ebiana story de ma so we hiani story. Ebia story de ma we kwa so your band ntimi nya hwe. Sakrasa story no. You need to rewrite your story to create a greater history for generations to come. Me see so nyese na ye wo me. Sabi nyoma me ye nyesa na de bo me. Me sinkete epesuahunu ekenka nyoma etia futuo efimpani ho ene me ne. Nti ne se wo frɛ me nkranhye hene a wonfom ye esa nyama yo nti. Nti so se obi sa on se me so dimbe na beto me. Ebi atonyom, ebi ahwe oman so, ebi aye adwuma ma oman, wona agya wanchi amanchiri ma. Abrabo no nia wo gyama nkrofo hu hia esi nia obeyo. The legacies of your life are more important than the buildings you are putting up and the cars you are buying. Sabi wawade de uwu eko. Wo dan uwu a obusuafo na befa. Na mmom no bibi wo a uka nchiri gu a. Se bitimi na se akwa we. Maami we. Eno na ese ye wo hunu eno ade shade hunu. If you give attention and motivate yourself to learn how to live a happy life. Se when you da say me de ade chi bia na me panigye. Se me hye me hu kwana manigye. Emfa ho baby amete. Emfa ho ne ma me famu. I motivate myself to feel joy. Yaka se ene day na Yakopon ayama wo. Wo se ene day de ahurusie na mo enye. Enye wo hia a wodie na mama wera ho. Enye ekomo ade wo na emom no ekombre mu no ma enye a wo me. Empo se woni bia panigye wanigye a wotwe woni a woni age ben wo na ebebie kwa ma wo. Give attention to put more effort on doing the important things of your life. Abrabone me bebre ho a wota ayo ben so ni mfaso. Na bebre ho a wota aka so ni mfaso. Adwene bebre ho a wodwene so ni mfaso. Bi say say e de na meyo a so mfaso. Ensembe na meka so mfaso. Enipa ben na metie ho na wona sembe ma mfaso aba ma brabom. Na pede de mfaso bebre ho na tie na yo. Your life can be important based on what you do, based on those you associate with, and based on your thinking patterns. Indeed, you are made an important person. Onyame bo se obesombo. Asa obesombo a yina so enema a wota adwene, ene a wota ayo. Aha na meja wo. Bejiri se nyame kan waja atum. Se oso abrabo important. You obi akeke, obi asa we VIP, oso you VIP ni bi. But to become a VIP, you must lead lives that show that you are VIP. Talk in a way that shows that you are VIP. Onyame nshira. Onyame nka ho. Yumedie bi akodi bia no nyame mie kwankese. No adwumadie ema onnimu na osombo ma wiase. Aha na meja wo. Edi am this one dey take go. Makrao.
Yamwakwa Badwam TV no sia kase so e Badwam. Yada ni teko tegwase ne nkranhye nsam a wode amaya no painti niema enhia negative vibes de yenyi free akwam na yenwene adwene ye adwempa eno so humfaso de benyan sam no ne etodwa wo mu binie ene yekokobo emu odin na ekode ama adwadifo a wo mo ebebeto ye planting for food job for market body ba yerenom ne ade fofofo a no ma sa atwa kire ko ton abode no munyai na emfamfaso bi amrame yebebo rasansem ne mo afi yoman musofo ya wo hye trade any industry so ese wo hawo ekoso oman mu de nanso ne hihya wodo ampanifo de ato edwa wo port ne de eboa yen sansam no ne nsem bi na no pai mede somo Adom TV Badwam kase medi afia amankwa tamaklo Facebook/Adom TV kase ni twegu ho Go TV 176 DSTV 280 afia kwa yentie sede nsam no echiremu ankasa etie adwadifo bi ba eye planting for food and jobs wo mo market na wo ye tonton bode ne bayire ma yefofofo no na wo mo akwakoton na bodin so e de ama de hye bi a wontimi ama ho no mama meto eno ena futuo ne kokobo kode ama wo mo se wo mo eye sade no wo mo enyan na mfaso bi ama so ene planting for food and jobs wo mo dwa ana market no wo mo de akopie mo prisons headquarters won kran en Adom kase ne won edi nkomoyi
Asoya womo ehwe agric enhu ensem eso dwumedia womo atonidin se planting for food market yedwedia womo ede enuane ekomontin so ekoton no womo ede kopie mu ewo prisons ewo cantonment. Abradum News in Central for Ekopiemu ewo hono yehu se brodie akese oniaba apem ene de eka ho ene dwedifoi ede egu a womanfo etwe ede kwo no efi eboa na eda so no efo womanfo a womo eton enuani ede ma aban ede to Adom News enim se womanfo eta beto enuani bi ekoton ewo monten so na womo ebeto a womo eto ne fofofo efiri womo eho na womakoton na borden na nye ne kwan so no
beto ade 25 and 30 enfan komo obi 50 eye bone uwie wa shata de akoto na asori dem enye nyame mpesa ade no wosisi onua wosisi wa ho mo menja sade mo amoya sade mo menja na nyina ya nkonko yenim na oman ne de enfa so ya nyina ya fatuma mpa ye de enfra na ntimi nkonko yenim o anso ye enu aso de ba enu na e ba e se 12 to 1 na e wa na eyi nkrofo yi dodo na omo amante no so afi na omo so omo baba ye de obaba mo to omo de ade akọ
eno ta won like trading business enya fio edwedie no te ya lete
oh yeah fine ya le fine man bi ame mi esa me bonu wo ba hon le ija ke ko ke ba bi enike ko te bi e wa ya be makam ko te be makam wa ya fast service ko te fast service wa ya second fe ko nu kwa ba o me ba bu ya he o
Musafo ya wono ehwe trade and industry so ra Alan Kojochira Martin sa asase mu no icons no na twitwi ewo mu no ni ade nanso ne fa ya ehwe wo sikasem mu no de nyame ani mu ni aboa ewo ye import ahodo ya ye wo ewo man Ghana mu
Abra Ghana Revenue Authority, Ghana Link Services Limited, ene womanfo a womo efri customs ewo Korea. Eko shia wosoafo no no hwe edwedie eso no Alan Kwejo Chemantin ewo nkran no. Womo ade tu nenim efa Integrated Customs Management System. Enhihye ya womo aye ewo Ghana borders. Ne ho no soafo no no hwe edwedie eso no Alan Kwejo Chemantin ade tu dwa se emfa ho ene ohawa Integrated Customs Management System. Ede aba na emum ekwan a womanfo afaso ede didwuma ede mfaso aba no eyade a esumbo bebre.
In the very first 3 months of the introduction of ICOMS, in spite of all the challenges, we achieved exceptional results that had never actually been seen in our country. We need a system that is robust but flexible to respond to the constant changes in the dynamics of the market.
Commissioner no eneda Ghana Revenue Authority enimunu Dr. Amishada Usu amwa enso de nsem sei na tudwa.
Nti ye hu se any model bia de beka ho bia no improve nti ye bekoso ahwehwe models bia betimi de aka ho na makoso ama ye no improve. Fenso yenkrofo mu fi Gambia Gambia Revenue Authority eno so engineers omo so awa ha se ompese omo ne yen enso be dikita ho efi se omo so ati djuma pa ICOMS aye nti no omo assign on Ghana Link ama Ghana Link for ekwakoye adjuma ma won so Gambia
Amasaman mrashe bedwani akwasi owusu afrifa mensa se nedie ne common fund no obehwe na kwan na ebiasai ewo ne mpesua no so no wode asiesie medie mempasem sansam ne emia bi tase adobafo sansa kwan ne nyenti bo a wo mo ape ene wo mo deje Adom kase etoso
nipa ete ha eho kire wo mo yie pa na yahwe abaye ni mo anim sa bible no ho modin bia so be ba bete contractors wo ye de sa adwuma ya mo mo mpotem anyiru bia free site intine ena mene ye ma me contractor ye ogira me nche me be kire na adwuma ne se me a me pese me free me common fund na me de siesie me de township rules no mo say ye nipa wa ha no ho beto mo kakra na Sansam Junction to Sansam Mpem Wasem Road no nso no eno nso ye ma me enye mayen on reshape mayen na ehwo no de ase bebre beebi o haji so de abo ene beguo na onfa loaded bi emfa so man na kwa nya compact kakra.
Assemblyman na owo media electoral area Isaka Ibrahim ejina assembly members nyina anemu na enumu ene obo enmahebedwani no abaso se woyi won kwan na enye no ama wo no.
Sana honorable eba no ye de yeni age because teamwork me gidi say assembly any member of parliament say ye team up and ye partner each other na ye development eba ye kronum do na most of the time no say ye face issues say ye the assembly say issues na ye ba ye honorable member of parliament say na assembly ye omudie no na honorable member so ono so oye ni fadie. And they say our member about around say Obabebua na immediate on a temporary measures no me just say idea esumbo ana yeniso
Adwumayefo na school for one nursing and midwifery training college wo Ketakrache woti mantam ne mo de wade seto mpanifo ani maban ene wo na wonsem wo bie say school no wo mu hiansesemu I was say a be any yes, near Tremonso, Sabaya, and Tetia wode Emma Adishia be a pesonia, Nimdiawa Pomudemono, Ombenian Quampaso, Adom Cassie etwaso.
This is a temporary building, so we have only 2, which is also uncompleted. And because of our stream, we need 8 or 10 permanent classroom blocks. So it means we have a deficit of 8 permanent classroom blocks. As nurses, the next from the classroom is to go and try our hands on whatever we've been taught that we'll be going to practice at the hospital. We do go to the hospital, but that is programmed. Before we go there, we need to practice. So we need skills labs.
School for being so near Adom Cassia Chincomwa, or more HSA. A sign near Mahudobia, a Messuku, Ejidin, na Emuya Kono ya any Wintino, Ama Womani cry and Casucunim, and when he was re, said a bang, Emma Boamo, na Ometis Samia ye be Emma, said a baya, a Babuamo, Mosu et Miasia de ye.
Ye like a classroom, and a hostel, and so wow, they have all things. Some my mates near Babel, why, and they senior is your town saying a finding yet sometimes this year slippers in blue class yashisha ye shoe and Buano so higher in prepo senior it's no word in prepo anyway and your dormitories in your hostels is to a big pony curtains when you maybe need doors it's your more bread and systems senior teachers no bus no susa ya bus ya ba kope teacher 4 by this or be one mo fa praga bus no so senior ye use no susu enti enche na say enti e mo brepa tinya ma de ye face bebre ya dry lines senior every most things are ye bre.
Adom TV Badwam Kasia da ugiso efsheno na eScript Solution Limited for Apple Midfind app ehwo entoma de obedie e was internet no so no say woto wadro na woton wadro so ye betumi dia bro fie bra won ha ho kura bebre mu hire no Adom TV etwaso
eScript Solution Limited akopao womo adwumadie ho entuma womo atonidin se Midfind application adwumadie eye abefo mfidie a womanfo ebetumi ato enuro ewo so a womo enko pharmacy wodwumadie na se no operations manager edema eScript Solution Limited Freeman Echampon editor Adom News enim se
Ohiane se obeko medfindg.com na wa entedu na open obu pharmacy se mo se ah ben we be out on be commission to show around what you say you know one price why am I other way or something that we say we or WhatsApp and our telephone. So I said, we first over there, we have which me higher than extra picture or doctor prescription for them on our send. So what's up being to be which imply a voice note. So we would not come there, obey voice note, we have voice note, and no doctor need.
General Manager Edema eScript Solution Limited Mame ohene wa boaten enso ene Adom News etwetwe nkomo wo kwan a womanfo ebetimi afaso na womo ene omo edidwa.
So, if you or download the app, you'll get to Google Play Store. or bet to swap or web, medfinegh.com. Now, I'm so bet me out on our WhatsApp platform. And on the local medfinegh.com, my number is I'll be to me idea.
Adom TV kasia na no pay yem fancy ha yada sipi sa oje bre na wo share kasia ni bi wo ko adwuma mo nyame fa nko onsan fa umra na mom share yen wo Facebook/Adom TV dwumedie no ye toso akozisa no nkono ebebo na TV ni die yempon na fa dwumedie nkaye no atoso akosinsia honorable incoming ai ono so ye kradu gina menchen wa habe me na yemo akwaba
beje sofia
bia boko de
nyame adom
de nyame ase ye chia wa wo hwefo Ose
Abocales.
Ono Abocales.
Abogri.
O de na no wodi.
Very forestry straight.
Straight. Eduma no oti ase. So obekọ ho. Ba so obi ahu ye.
Oh nyame adom a chin de. Na se ye kwen mu ansa.
Sa, wa hu se wada no mu asesa.
Yes, afere ma hu se bro nya bi wo ba bia
ebo na ba.
But na 8th December.
Nyame ayadom.
Ma me fa happy birthday nkoma former president John Ajekum Kufuor.
Happy
84 years.
Happy birthday to you.
Voicing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
May God bless you now.
Okay, may God bless you now. May God bless you now. May God bless you now.
Hip, 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 hip.
Hooray!
Yami show.
84 years there.
Hey.
Yami no
Yami ne dini ye.
Yami no dini ye.
Na nyo no nko awo.
Yeah.
Achimo da bra shebe deni.
Honorable Alexander Akwasi Akwa.
Yes.
And then she had birthday. Yes.
Enti nyame enhira achim Achimoda Rashe Bejani Alexander Akwasi Akwa Akwasi nyame yo kese eno so oba eni we am surprised
it's all about so happy birthday enko enfama
ena akontajo
okay
ono so asempa o yere adwuma wa ha akonta ne so ye birthday
okay
ti akontajo bebi
also happy birthday
nyame yo kese no nyo
and then so here Sovo Victor
na yire Anita Kusi Boating
Boche mama waye and then the birthday
ma waye and then the birthday and then the birthday for no modoso etitiru so wo mu nya menye mu nyina kese
ohiramo
kusi se mo ye kese pa nyame hiramo ya ni asomo too much nti mu aya we hye mu ni nyina no na mama no I reflect cake ne banko ade amunkaye ye twitwam nyamenye mu kese
and the people no say in painful be
oh yes and nedie dia hwantwi
people hand so
but and say the work can say we mu asesa
we must say yes and then ohun say bro nyankasa twinity
penaba
yes
but the make actual adroba for ne say me dey ya na e menwanwa minim ya sometimes the ochira driving so a factor when you driver papa man anchira wan ko school a driving school papa no so nya isusu aso wo so wadu krom pa kwabena ne light I see so pa no na say how because you say street light no
enye adwuma
so and I don't know say bi mu ready or mo dashboard no near me wo so who say ya na blue be short dashboard no so chesa o light no wo short anodin na dawani
oh
ti nyame anka ho pa na kwan na wonam so nse wonnim so a na de be sha menem ti yesremo titu omo ya na enya no foforo no emrante no omo de ahomachi de krom ye omo de o pi o di speed so
omo nda no
omo na to di speed ne light anu odin yesremo mo be enya very careful na feed ye erado oboy ho ban de bia na mo me yanso ye nhwe ye ho yie ye drive yie light na no odin yen service ye cars no so and ma observe bibia kwesi ya na trotro especially omunya car fofora
especially mate for na o ma graduate abe drivers
no ya na wo mo double indicators no
okay
ye kind of navigator kosi basi abia o branch ya na wo be show say bia me call left and me call right into the odi wachi no
ebe nwa bia wo
bra enya ambulance enya hwe enso ya register in 2022 no esu say ya enti wo huru so wo kwa hio say wo branch basa
me say wo ka ne say no no bi to no aka o driving school ni near the bumper to bumper and a namo air driving abra driving chiro say wo do obi chiro say ohunu ne last time
yeah
na distance at me but chine bi say bi si no oba na chia watimi adode nipa dem o ka ne sapa so ja we driving school ni because of this oba kwa kakra bi oba be hye nim na ka tia abnachi na abayam no awu ni a oka se obonsam na esa afie ka sa so fo be ka se accident bisi eso nipa daseni nipa daseni am accident na oku nipa
mo yenye careful
what obetia muntie ebebu enyina
eno Adom news jai sa ai se trailer tima anwaka tipa track awrade hu ye mobo onye mfiri nkwanhia ti sem omdo omo ba omo nketwa ne se ntefre o be se ba ku bi oni mi bonze che se wo ye dru awia fa na ama me light that's what person o che se eye ne way e wo se odo ba mi wa mi di mi lemu and wa je kwan ni nyina boso na me ka no se wonnim sa kwan no e kwan na wo fa so wonnim so wo beti wo na o hye amnem but aye kwan me fa so nti no wo ba mi di me nim space da ho mo mi anya careful mo mi ehunahuna wo bia na obi antwe ne de bokọ ye nyina yenkọ ne emra asomdwem eno na betumi aboa ye afi de mo mi entra ne anya ne sa ne enten kwanhia ano ebo na ba mo ne nam bepo no so no monye careful pa hunu ebra obema highlight nkoso nsi obi ani yesa obehu na
no cross highlight ne se wo hia ka na se ba ali so udim ne kakra so ya dwen se nti no obi de ye wa
ebe ye ode
so na abo no bi ma sa highlight ne da woni same kon
ebi light ye I don't know and normal light what
ebi de mo de bo ho nti e so as a dem jare bob pa na so
so where the na no aka no e jade
bob pa na ti ya so
anu odin e to wani a e ba wo off as o hu kwan
too much ye mo aye ho ka driving de wo na mo kwan me na me kwan e nanka asere kokosi
kwasi bisa biem
wona mo baa biem so na mo baa bi
obi
eko na ka asere kokosi
obi en service bibia ye break no ni ade obi en service wate ye gina ye hwe ho ye awrade adom nti obehwe ye nso nti ya ka accident ye ka ja hyehye nso ja hyehye
ewiem awo
wo hye bibia gina ho na twa ho hia wo se adumu no na ne esensuo bi wasa de apete so no waja ho na akọ enya wadwene se wo hye asa wabo ano mframa wom dry wo na abo na atra na akọ ba bi nso tie ya ye hyeshi ja hodo wo me enye careful eja bia kwasi me se dia
eja bia se ye ofie se ye wadwumam se ye afuom se ye mpotamu ebi a toilet bokura no akoyi so e na akwahia make sure se wagina ho ama na hye ewie enya ho nkọ frama na efa no efa bo akọ akire na amu ankọ so ba bia e kwakofa asem dia bro ene skemu akase
ebedi
na o meja akwakoto ofie mu amana kwafa asem dia bro e na sabre nsumpa cho se ofie electrical wires nso challenge aba ho a frena ECG fo empo bi me mehwe mawo se bia nkotija na enko fasen bia ma u free fie nsu a se be ya plug no enum ne keke tutu free mu tutu free mu u free fie a enum plug ne keke tutu fa free mu se ne be ya o kire me no so nko du fie no na akofa asem e dia bronti ya me ani na ho ye me no na birthday no doso me no na
obi se di bi
ese ompani bo mo ya bobo mu di yes and the two ho no ne kong se e baso live
na ye kan nsuohie ene nkwan hye omi enye careful
yes
I have prepare na ebehwe agu so
ehye wo mo nsuohie hwe agu so
hwe ano odin nti me de awofo abatan na mawo foforo no won say no ye begu nkura no to nsuo ne ye wa hodo ba miensa ye wo de hye ye wo nsuo nyunu wo ho ne ya messe na afi ye de gu ye ma ne to ene wo mo ba mem ne wo ma se ho no mesre nsuohie no ye nye careful yemfa nsuo nyunu yemu nsuo nyunu ansa na de hyehye na gum se be ye kura na bibi kura ebesi a entimi nhye enipa no ebo so why obi anya ne de esa mo nyina ye mo aboa ye ho
Yenisa, Bibia be fine.
Bibia be fine.
Ghanaian Times in Efia. President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo was National Lands and Natural Resource Minister. Honorable John Abdullahi Jinapo and Sufoni in the President Ekasose at National Land Conference. President orders implementation of land law to deal with challenges with sales. Haruna Idrisu, minority leader, so a picture and Sunni, will say 2023 budget approval. Trust us to protect your interest. Minority reacts to public backlash. Nat, 5 others kick against debt exchange program. Gasouth MCA warns chiefs, contractors against illegal sand winning activities. With the illegal sand winning, you know, as a timampo. Your press conference in the bus. Na mampo hine power ne pen for mo kwa sebi. Okay. Esi ansa na inu aka sanso ya ukude. Na manam so kɔ dem na okoya mamre ne amane. Emabunu ne emabawa mrante eka bi ewo mu asante mampo hia ye. Emi nyina akire ya adwense mampani until say aban ebeye se oboa ma responsible man e to te se Ghana for na nyina no. Asante mampo will never accept any form of mining, whether legal or illegal, because who say the moment if you didn't cancer as say Kim, Galamse has started. I no. Enya starting so e dey so obekun. Obekun atia. Obekun ne etu. And send that man pon dey na chere fia. On na asem na say story bia na say kuro bi wo ye tutu amanfo da nyina ase. Sare man pon dey be. Ye dia. Ye ni abri. So no wabu agu. Ye ni abri nyina no. Ye ni abri nyina. Betu no akuru obi ho. Konongo ebisi. Tutu ya tena no jino bi dem. Mumie ni. Agwese tema. Come to one. Say say one. Una muabo se tem.
Oh yes, possible. And you be room. Omo to tie no jina ne dem. Afa aho wasambai. Asagalam say na be room ho.
Okay, Ghanaian Times anyway, ever pay.
Okay, Ghanaian Times we dia delegate the Bokrata no near mosquito 2 others chase ofosu ampofo sasam no ene ye boy ramu na yenim se chairman ofosu ampofo ene ye ra general secretary former nani abre chairmanship general mosquito ena nka epre ne yasimienu bi nso asade wo ho abegina mu den nyame ya dom a next week next 2 weeks and
next week Saturday.
Next week said week idea and next week 17. That is what we jina so den. Na me yini national organizer there. Chief Binding 1.
Okay.
Onfama no.
Okay.
Chief Binding. Mon fa there no ma Chief Binding. Na adwuma no watiase nimu. Chief de wa fa wi. Mon fa manya sa meka no.
No bi so kan se me. E ba ye se yenso ye mua Kwaku Buahi. Kwaku Buahi Deputy National Communications Officer.
Sir.
So not tagi stations sir. Ni pakro tagi stations Kwaku Buahi. Ekosu nyina.
Sir. What's Kwaku Buahi?
Oko Deputy National Communications Officer.
Ti ma me hwehwe.
Say at least nka yen kai Kwaku Buahi so na ka stations no koso no.
Yem any Kwaku.
Eti delegate yesremu ada.
Sir.
Kwaku ayebi.
Oh.
Eti mun kai Kwaku Buahi.
Anthony. Sir.
Chemistry teacher. Kaino.
I see.
Na montwaba.
Ni dini Kwaku Buahi Anthony. Na mnim sa Anthony Kennedy.
Oh Anthony Kennedy.
Anti ne family so dimi nso bufofo. Ene we de esra deputy communication officer.
Yes, montwaba ba
Kwaku Buahi. Enu an obi anim. Mom ye ntoma no. Na kwa ye bi ogusun so ye. Ompa ba. Woko court wo ba nyinaa.
Obeba. Kwaku free court no abetene kusi so.
Still
NDC who don't
muano ati
on
communicate NDC information nyina ma omo ente ye no na national organizer ne de mo former chief Binding enya fiase Ghana for NDC say delegates ne say chief Binding mo ntoma na chief kura ye na masaya mo former no say so say him menka no mokoko obi de chief Binding o say so
number 6
chief Binding ye 6
organizer so
da so nti anu no. But chairmanship ne die nyame anim na fama ni so. Seriously. It's what they mean to men kabi. Hopa die.
Because afa go gina certificate ya ne ofusu apofusu. Certificate ya no ofusu apofusu.
Omo bi eni kese omo confuse me.
Yes.
Sankaje no anko hokra dia. Je no abeko ho nti amama ye confuse. No kreda ho ye.
Na sankaje no anko e nanka Ofusuampo fuana.
Ono a.
Okay. Na nka mfa ho ne dodo e ba beka. Ofusuampo fu.
Bi mi ni mo do.
Be say general baa no.
General wa confuse me.
Okay.
Omo nyina ya de.
Okay.
Ti ma confuse. Ti me dia akonya me anim pai bom.
Se nyame mu na ma.
Enyine de. Awurade ma no kura ne nadi. De be si bia so what be happen to you? Fanesa.
Oh yeah. But I want to believe say they will not make it a make or break affair.
Hey, General Secretary, so me wa you.
Yeah. Fifi wo ho.
Ba me ye Elvis.
Okay, Elvis a free anchor.
Sir.
Former Youth and Sports Minister.
Sir.
Okay.
Choboy. Ah.
Okay.
2014
FIFA World Cup.
Enya ho ne ye promote ho ne. Ye promote as a campaign manager.
Okay. Bahama.
Onini sa. Mo fama Elvis free ye.
Okay.
Wa ye adwuma no keke. Ahwo ye pomo mo be na fifi quotation mani gine ho na obeka ho no na ye medin but still me the Elvis na.
Okay, what me choose.
But no ono so na me yada.
The organizer no social media because enzo akwa gina Dr. Hannah Louisa Bisiu.
Amehwe ono a
ena
ono anampe.
Mago
mi hu no.
Mago.
Anya hwe me dia ne Dr. Hannah Louisa Bisiu.
Okay.
Na ukrom ni a. Ono a mo fa ma no ono so ayi wa ye adwuma no ma ne ya akono.
Okay.
Dog, you're home, me.
Okay.
Na mun support no. No one twaso. So on ti nyamboa no odi wi a. Na fe, mo ma ni nwie prepo. Smart ya say. Ti mo fa mo omo. You say me candidate me say mo mu amena. Omo nyina wani ade no. So ati ase. Omo be ye adwuma no. Na chairmanship ona na still afmani so nti. Ye be sie bia no. Nesi. Ti general chia wo. Edo for some so ne chia wo.
Ayede.
Nkoso ana mo nya adwuma no pepepe. Na muni no kure delegate no so ni ji obi ade bia mewi akire tunsi ba bia enya yi 20 straight ya na ya
The Chronicle or the Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia at the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana.
Come back Ukraine o de nya hwetwaso
oh the people will be
Bawumia de no
okay then okay yes New African Magazine and name me empenfo titro best oha 100 influential African leaders your vice president eka ho ebi akrema mo eni adwuma den esa pasobo etimo eni ne wo ye de magana etiama abibiman agiwatum se ampa ye ka empenfo oha ewa bibirem halmu a ye wo over millions empenfo ya sone oha so na so ka ho bia enunam hye e de maw emo abusua emo mamu Ghana nyina ne nyina esumpa ya wosum Ghana so entia. Ghana must diversify from cocoa to agrochemicals. Others, John Alan Kodjo Chebate and Eka Niseye. HIV infection hit rooftop in Bono region. Bulan van robbery suspect discharged. The Chronicle.
I know, Yari.
I say, I'm the two kakrakan.
You are discharging it, then you come back to court.
Said yeah. Yeah, then yeah.
Ina ya sabo na hoka. Ono kum nipa ji.
Amamehwe na ma.
Amamehwe na. Aneya.
Ja ubele dey.
Mbene dey.
Mrana.
Ya ni yesese.
Yeah.
Nti na esi di wie dia menko daily graphic.
Yeah.
Na constituency watch and they almost omo hwe adenta.
Oh okay. Okay.
Tomorrow echina adenta na omo ehwe ebuani mo ha e say na nat na GMA reject debt restructuring and also ho asamo ko fe 16 na the bokrata no so e de aba ano pay mampani na ekasa said wadi kan wo the bokrata hudu mo no say lands commission womo e de kwa be for kwan so nya fe na pepa bia no ne ade no and also ho asamo ko 24-25 wo daily graphic mu no so wabo emu amane Justice Sophia Kufu and we former Chief Justice and I feel rock we see any boa or no current Chief Justice and one more she adwene bia e bi mo anya judge for ya pa one more equal Supreme Court no ni ade I say ya me yehunu limit no ni ade no wo so e de won adwen kire e de aba ofuni na de ni mo ha no efe daily graphic the bokrata man bo no pen so eno no
neja yankra
ya wi ohu
yo
eni ani die kwan so yamfa de bonkrata no ensi ha na fe agudie mu nsam na fisam pensem wo ho yamfa ntoa so yekwaba.
Fantastic morning, Abusuya Samuel Kwaba. Now, no price on somewhere cost a good year in the Dawson. Yes, a fantastic outing. Get away, Senior Rebia. Sergio Manucho, Bena Paribo Tree, me producers of my Shabby Bia, Medeba, Kijuan Cassani, Erica Siri. Now, Mammy and Chassia Fanfi World Cup when he one echo, a fair bunny, Dina, they say a poor Remo or round of 16 year quarter final. I heard when I quarter final and a Bessia Conia, the idea. Mamma qualify. And they are semi final or China and a bebo na I heard one qualify and I face you na ditch now. Ya kana sano Gianni Infantino ya president ma FIFA na wade sama tuja sene chance abesi round of 16 na ya boy no you know so hu sana tournament na koni.
Seen all matches indeed and put very simply and very clearly this has been the best group stage of a World Cup ever. So this is very promising for the remainder of the World Cup. But the matches have been of great quality in beautiful stadiums. We knew that already. However, as well, the public who was there was incredible. Over 51,000 on average, record-breaking figures on TV. We are already at over 2 billion viewers, which is really incredible. 2.5 million people in the streets of Doha and a few 100,000 every day in the stadiums, all together, cheering together, supporting their teams. Fantastic atmosphere, great goals, incredible excitement, surprises, small teams beating big teams. Well, there are no more small teams and no more big teams. The level is very equal. For the first time as well, national teams from all continents going to the knockout phase. For the first time in history, this shows that football is really becoming truly global. Well, of course, we hope that the World Cup continues and concludes as it has started.
Right, Gianni Infantino na ordinance samo to drive say World Cup no ebeto aso sene ahase a odun say o say afide ne feel wo mpa hwe nipa ehwe ne homo de homo jiwa eyanika anya sam keto akra Jifas Mesha OneXpert.com mo kan wona pen ne sam na de bro OneXpert ye mo World Cup ne we obeti we discuss go to ndra akra na Manchester United bo friendly game other games e kokoso na OneXpert.com akache na with we disika de go botom Jifas Mesha de chema ye kase e kama sama adaje be bon manage na so na me man so agina so sentimental and roll on so yeah my baby a pin bi wo ho te ya obi ni ade na oni twi so na what my fine ade a channel so ma say do quarter final no yeah hwese kwan bia so no yeah dafie yeah ochena no Croatia and Brazil they be pem so 3 p.m. Croatia Brazil and small match sana Holland and Argentina and the aboni and we fear that game now remember that so Morocco and Portugal they aboni England and France and so they aboni we the FIFA World Cup you don't want some so the brewo
Adom TV Badwam na o share fisem braso se wo se yedi nkomo ahodo yi enti ene me wo give us Herbal Center for e wo fia ha na romi agenedwa ya ye ba bedi nkomo ahwe no in your word, so I was so near being out of shed in Pedriano, Nani Pedriano, and you friend. Kama pa, Medidia fear among quarter maclo, Nano pay, yam watching.
Joe so Edawasi say o my akwanya na ya bishia Johannes.
We are boko.
Yami adu boko.
Give us a hoboko.
Yami adu bibia e fine.
Dr. Penny hoye.
Ne hoye pa Dr. Solomon Kwabi o he no pay ntino. Wa betimi ato nkrana ma no.
Dr. no pay ya chia o. Ya ma official panso. Afisa say na nkwa hoden wo ho.
Amen.
Na dwuma no kɔ nanim na mo ba ne interview mu na agya mo me kakra na di twetwe ka. Tinyame hira wo no wadwuma efo nyina.
Amen. Ene me so mechia ahwefo nyina no payi na mama obia fishiapa esanse bronya mframa na ebobosa no eyo se o akakakra oni bete na besenko afu bronya ne se dia na hwe ba besen akwa yehu enti bisro obi anya alert na me dia seda ema me fashion designer fan KB Clothings o Madina no payi mechia na dahroma obi ahumi ana onji nimpo se yapam but yapam
kala no tesha no so ya fine
enti KB nyamishrawo ya mishamiri sa obe bi nso ama me nuaba ai na anopa ye baya ya sem nyina etia ni nyina ne se ye ba badwene omanfo ho esan so odoma nkoma nyankopon echeche adoma chede no ye enso givers for the enya wo mu ni se ye be kongram akotete haban akeka nnua hini eni nnua ahaban asi ani dia fa mfidim dia ye duro so no ko abo omanfo ama omanfo anom se de be ha obetumi enya ayaresa esan se menumie no yenim se obia won talent wasase we so sisi ameso nsa de okungram na mkase tie ahaban bra ne mfa nya duro a wanhwe ya uhu ahaban kura akoti because udim ahaban no yare esa ene de eye nti eno ane sa wotete ne keke ba yenso so de esan se ya adwuma nti no yakata ya dimpo ne esimra mu ayi ni mahaban a yete a yebetumi ade ya duro aboa wo bi a oyare anopai ye ba bedi nkoma afa UTI ho yakase UTI a eye urinary tract infections na etwaniti aka ne UTI no eye ohawa emprempi no etatete ema ne mema titu ni ema pa beba cho se wo hwem ya no pai na wo yoba ana wo ye bema na wo problem e wo nwunso semu a beba cho eno ene efe no urinary tract infections no infections ahodo a ene abaye bladder no ho abaye kidney no ho a enam so aboama ene sa wo ha no abaye so na ema tituru ene ta sofa sa problem na ye fe no UTI no de ema ne sofa UTI ne kesepa ne se naturally no ema urethra no na short nti eba sa na bacteria bia tuminya kwan ewuram na akofa ohabre ma ba ye kan sa no nkyere se wo ye be ma wafa ho adida bi mema nyina na mum ema tituru ene ye omokesepa now se unya urethra na ana se unya oha wo urethra mu de fe no UTI urinary tract infections no na wa ma ona amonto ankopesa ndomi ni bi anom na wotena se ya hwenwe ha be wi akiri no ene ya ne ye de rubber eto bema mu no so we bema na wanya UTI urinary tract infections na wa ma ona amonto ankopesa ndomi ni akiri kwan na wanom a obetena se ya hwenwe ha sa woni beba ho so no na ye de rubber beto bema mu yemfa rubber nto bema mu kura no uhu ho anu nwie na oba betena se na ye de rubber ato bema mu na ne wiase a oba ye no oba ye den pa wo kanokre enumie no we kura mi we givers GC capsules ena we givers GC mixture me ba cho enumie no we abri bia no obeto abom na wanom abom givers GC capsules givers GC mixture eye mane mema nyina duro wo ho adwonso ntentem kakra na adwonso de odwonso wie ya ase wo ba beka kwaku na to ba bia dana na wasa atu zip na ase adwonso sa de biem na yo say sa prum afo be chima adwonso no ma obi won so adwonso no betumi ade no alright obekoso kwa adwonso ba bia waduru aba adwonso na wayi ne kwaku atu ne nsam no ana wo ye oban so a why ready so aba adwonso no afi wo chima ma ase opese wo force wa na adwonso no ba obechima obi kura de na nyina pempem from so still adwonso no ma e kire say wo yanya problem e wo bladder wo yanya problem e wo urethra mu uyanya problem ewo kidney eyesa sorry na kope aduro bi nanom givers GC capsules any givers GC mixture pendom mienu we nanom na entumi moawo se de be ya sa ha no be free so se wo yo ba se wo ye bema me kanfo endu edi amaw oba bi nso ehwe me anopai na nsen ahimfie ho wa ugitum se enoma nkoyi sa amaw sister wa wunim na de ma ta sofa ewo ahimfie ho pa ne se emprempi no se emako ya ne so a especially WC no esan se enya wonkwa na okoso nti no ena ohwese de nyankopon design ema himfie ho ene mema de na difference wo emema ye de ne de e different ena ma no so de no so ye different nti se infections bi ewo WC ne so na wo ye oba na sabi okoya wo de ya ne sa wokoto so oba bi wo ha oduru wa no ane sa wokoto so inse so be fat tissue no paper so crack kakra nsa na watena so no esansa adena chenti oduru anu watena se tie basa na se infections bi ewo WC ni so a automatically no enya kwan ewura wa himfie ho tie ko basa na akofa oha ena na de white ene oha wa hodo bebrebre ma no me pa cho sa wo yo ba na wanya white nkikan ni bia me pa cho aduro isa wonom na njewa ba bia oto aduro ni bia na fatoa no ko na ko jusika ye fe ni givers GC capsules ena givers GC mixture obeka bom se na wanom sa wonom a ene white bia ha bia bejai enam sa ya de bia abesoa so na ene ede ni nguase ebro sebi ukunu ba ho krampo na I say ade na oba ho no I say opa so ompe oba ho nyina no osan kyerɛkyerɛ no ho kyerɛw because ɛho nhyɛda enye sɛde sɛsɛ nka ɛho yɛ no nti bɛma no so esan so ontumi nka no kra nkyerɛw no de bia excuse no de bɛma wo me pa choko pe givers GC capsules any givers GC meshana no oba wo problem ɛwɔ ne nsabuom ubu nsa moja no mbayi moja na eba no eba toto ene eba ochena na twa oba bi tie mi obu ni nsa na otwemienu na otwemienu oba bi so bu ni nsa bosome miensa bosome nsia afi ba ko ne akire na wo mu nsa da sister se wo mu nsa ebesi dan na watumi atonkosua wa himfio ama sabio nyinsa afiri mu aba obema won so wo problem wo junso mu o junso ana sabi ensufita bi de akire ba o ba badwunso a ebi wo ha ensuo na dika ba ebi won so a wadwunso awie no ene di akire afi enamu sa yade amansansa abegu bema ho ensansa abegu wa himfie mepacho ebasa uhia enduro mienu wei givers GC capsules and afi givers GC mesha shene so se obeka bom se na wanom sa wonum sa enduro mienu wei na wo hawa hodo amebobɔ so nyina no amfiri wo so ankɔ a bombodi anfanto ano ko ba bia to aduro no na kwaji usika titia because ebasa na say ya dadaw mepacho ansa na ebeba betena TV so na ya boy yade bi din na ya relate yade no to aduro no na e wo se FDA fo aye hwehwemu di enduro no afa mfidie mu aso ahwe hu sampa aduro no tumi sa yade na omo ka no ansa na omo ekwan ame ya ba bonte abebo dawuro nti so hu 70 TV so na me de me say simi bo kasa na nya bibia se FDA fo ahwehwemu agye atumu se ampa enduro ya medi ho adanse no etu yade a mebobo so no ase eninti na yenya kukuduro a etumi ba TV so ebe kasa enti ba bia ye to aduro bia wo Ghana ha bia no kwa ubenya nduro minu we bi se wo ye oba o se wo ye bema o na wo dwonso mu problem o dwonso a emaye o dwonso ya sesia na dwonso sande o edu na dwo na se wo da ubetumi adwonso be 5 times ansa na de ache enye normal givers GC mesha givers GC capsules ba bia ye to aduro bia wo Ghana ha bia no okwa ubenya bi na boa your numbers enegu screen ase no ubetumi apeke no afre yen question bia wo bia de wonte ase bia no fe na busa ne enkyere wase de de sorry so yes me pacho de sorry so nie ye fe ni givers eba mesha we de sabio efene a ye de ache me pacho de ntia ye de ba TV so no se de be ya kwa obi mfa 9 and na no 6 eni ntini ya de be kire eni ni Ghana nyina malaria do ni typhoid fever jaundice malaria honam yawo obi a ontimi didi na poso nyina ye de ya de bia me kase ye no mo nsa mfa didi wa bra komodeo na akwa konom alcohol uyem betwa kuro ubenya osa enom nsa emfa nkodidi adan a untumi didi nti ukotwa bi na wakodidi da bi yenye ne saa aduro we na uhia give us aba mesha sa wo yare o yendo ni nyina fa hoto so na nonom na entumi mboa o me ba cho your number is 0543 222 470 0543 222 pacho 2 ni emiensa ena 470
yedase
o friend number ya yebedi nkomo ba bia eto ando bia o Ghana bia no obenya ndo bia
yedase na
etumi aboa kama
yedase papa give us a center ena na Romeo ba ye ne yedi nkomo wo mu product no mama nyi sankrato Ibrahim nkomo foforo bi wachire ye ba ye beto so kwa babie me Adom TV Badwam na o hye na said last week yes ase ni edi nkomo ema wo mu ensem infertility in women yene dog ye no zoom na hu ahia se yesa ba studio ne to office nkomo no newa na yana yaboafo yase St Andrew Senior High School awofo ne abatan fa yema no enko ho na won masua nkwa animu ye courses ni nyina bi eye day na ye board nti ba bia wo bia no timi de oba call St Andrews Senior High School Kelke toothpaste so eyenkradro a ye di twi won mo sia no pa ene anwumre nti anopa gidigidi na odi twitwi ne se no anwumre so saa by the time all beda no na wa hwese wo twitwi ne se ansana obeda kidi ministry of so eyedro a enkra na enomo akra wo se woni die na dro a wo hia kidi ministry of mani binom obedi di fine ama obatan wasomajo Piwak Natural Health wo mo adro 3P garlic mixture no kwon wo wo ebusu immune system no eboa ye saye mu nyarwa ahodo enyumakwe ya daroma ene yade afisem nkomoi ebro amenkoso anwehye kanema mpani John ejekum kofo a happy birthday nyame nhyira no na menya ne kese omiemia na pɔ no so na hoɔden ne nkwa no entena ho daa na ne nimdeɛ ne nyansa ɔmfa no mmɛn ɔno abo Alexander akwasi akwanso nyame nya wo kese kosi sɛ ɔbɛyɛ kese pa akyemɔda mmra hyɛ bedwani kwasi nyame nkɔso ama onimdeɛ ne nyansa ɔma hoɔden ne nkwa na fa biebie nnwuma kese na emabunu nya adwumanye ɔma nkwatentin hyira wo ne wafifoɔ Mrs. Anita akwasi boaten happy birthday nkɔma so maame nyame nya wo kese kosi sɛ ɔbɛyɛ kese pa na no pay de menya Dr. Frimpon so ɛwɔ ha a wo ba bɛboa na infertility in women nkomodie na ye share aseɛ no na ye sa toa so ɛwɔ hɔ na Dr. Isaac Frimpon Star Clinic omo de ɔse ba awo no mu hɔ pa de a hɔ pa de o de fa wo ma fitire de a wo bɛ wo afa ho afa ba dɔga no pɛ ya mu ache na bibia bɔkɔ de ye de nyame asese na ɔde wa ba beduru ha kan ye nsanso ene ye to ayen komo no so infertility in women na wo so obone tofa last week no on say zoom ni ade na ehu ahoɔfɛ no e wanim da hɔ pa kokɔ na yes star bisa no nti ye mo no tofa ye ka say infertility in women na ede ne ye ka
all right I mean chia hwefo nyina you can say infertility infertility in women.
Thank you.
The word infertility and it's unable to be fertile and give birth and how to conceive.
Okay. It's untimenyam.
It's untimenyam. Okay. You can say obi ntimenyam mo a nyama bebre and betimi am obi ntimenyam. Wa bra one ne sex partner I mean ne ho kan ye unprotected sex. And so no na that is why because say obi infertile.
Okay.
And being infertile no be matimi infertile or batimi infertile. But ye share a madie no for now. If ya jampia ko mema dia.
Sa. Eri yenhwei ya de bia no ma asam ye ba ko pe nyame abode mu aye bibia obi a obo ye nse ni su ne nse so. Ti from so be de beba ebe ma oba intimi bro ne ho kani be hia be afimu nyina wo mammo ho ban so nyi sentimi ma
enema bebre
okay
ene betimi aba because so ba be nyinsan na watimi awo afa ne ho afa ne ba no enema bebre ena wo nipadua no mu a eboa
timi yesa
and yenka na yemfa uterus na ankasa nsin chen because awode no na ebe contain nyinsan no ehwa na nyinsan no be start hwa na ebe nyini na timi awo afri hwa ansan de hu se wawo and now awode no so na ankasa wo honom no ewo ne yare on it own na itimi nya
okay
ti yare hodo bebre na timi ba awode no mu eba bebre na aboa emma nyinsan be very difficult it is a better sa conditions ni bia the last week say a recap last week I think say your bo fibroid so say uterine fibroid no your no types bebre your type a bit me the nyinsan ho your type a we den ntimi fa nyinsan ma nyeye and is o develop type a ye di nyinsan no bia o de ho so bit me awo ma nyina
okay
unya complain bia with awo but fibroid no bit me awo e disturb all right but say o develop the ntimi fa ho ni bia because last time we near her types no e be hu say your intramural fibroid ho e be hu subserosal types e be hu pendiculated and no da bonten subserosal no so da bonten but intramural and da wodi inside and submucosal type no so da wodi no wall no emu and then fin pe da wall ni mu ti say e grow ye kase bebre ai pushes ade e wo uterus ni mu nyina so de be ya emma nyinsentimi stay wo nti akoba say bi e wo develop this type of fibroid I am finding saying be there over try but obet me mpo anyin saying ebe for month or two obet me say and that is fibroid side no your conditions be your condition be discussed previously your friend hydrosalpinx that is fallopian tubes no and so timi ginam na emosi titime hono sa and now oba to kosia ovulative free ni ovary ni mu a it passes through the fallopian tube na ba odi ni na be ma ne oba sex at the vagina area ho na akọ kosia na wato no and now ekoba say fallopian tube no a block here e be very difficult say input sperm ni bedu ana egg no ni be hia that will also cause infertility. So another nchen your condition be a friend of polycystic ovarian syndrome. I'm saying that is last week. And also young free ovarian cyst, young fan coho. Ovarian cyst say kosiana or bawono. Bosumi biano ovulate bako. So the bear sperm sex cosona sperm iba na just a centimeter take place. And now ovary na nkasa timi be develop cyst in so timi ginum na say. It is a kobasa ovary na say ya. A bad din say ovary na eba no say nye healthier nyinsen betimi akoso. And that is ovarian cyst. And ovarian cyst here is a year a wohoche no wanya no hwea turning into polycystic ovary. Ovaries na aka ni nyina be infected. Ovarian cyst here one ovary a problem. Okay. But polycystic ovary no unya te poly na say plenty. More of the ovaries ni nyina no etimi be say. Ekoba ne sa when you ovary papa bia a healthy bia, how then do you get pregnant? And to me may possible. And in many other conditions, endometriosis, adenomyosis, no nyina. Nti awode na nkasa no wo ne yare a etanya. Se ya de ni nyina to nkyɛn a oba ne hormones play major role. Se obenyinsan, se obebu ne nsa, ne sa ne mani nyina. Nti se ebeka so obi ontumi enyinsan na nhye da nyɛ bibi ba ko pebi. Because obi ti a obi ti se oba bi nyinsan apa o se o mame ma awodro. Awodro na correct den. Then a conso I wanna emma no.
Because never be break kabom na yesa. Ama na awodro mu de na abi.
Mu de wa na correct. So nti ye honom no se oba na ye behwe wo a ye behia lab ne scans bebre a ye de be confirm ya the cropotin a how before I am our treatment. So we will know say we na ye treat free one na we no problem e wa odi no. A treat you there bibia nso kwan you can easily get pregnant.
Okay. Entiane na infertility in women no ene yabobo ne amahodo bia etumede saa how no eba. Nanso ni nyina mu no me sure say si ehunu ne ntam a etumi so ano ma wo ne ba na dog.
Oh yes. Yare bia na woni peduan mu no. On say started from somewhere. Yare to say wa akwala na na acute state. I say isha. Ho acha then it grows to the chronic state. Nti bedru baby a aye chronic and as be very difficult to be treated. That is where I know you're doing. But so who in Tamwa, Yari Bia, own in Tamwa, ni treating your day. But so train my Yari back as you dear. None treat your bedding. Because fiber here can we bet me develop a fiber that is a started for a friend of myoma, Ketwa. And now say, oh, cha. Then we call it fiber.
And fiber, you fear new to bed who say. And then a bed dead, disabia, bibi way, myoma, no eba, a better need to fiber into some bomb over.
Okay, fiber tank casano. A bat or bowdy anymore. It doesn't give symptoms. I shall say. You see that? And the money are very difficult because and by developing fiber now an odium and a myoma na odium is a man symptoms be. But na e grow na eye kesia oba kro no be start ya complaining na ya se bi o ha o menstruate ya enhwe so maye e bi o ha o menstruate ya obehu clots kakra bi on so a message ne be ba bebre nti obi o ha ohun these changes bi but o ha na jai nti no subconsciously no think say normal e bi aduane bi odi and Abiana BB Coso into the only way I'll be once we're developing myoma and I won't develop a fibroid. Oh, I would know, and it's a trap pelvic scan. Okay. And the also na mad will be omudi hofo because a baby trust scan no. Just when you say, and then the message is my best 6 months. No, course one man nah. That is where I'm a trust scan, and it's very bad because you're dear, ebeba bribia, and I would end that one no. You might be brain a course within a month. You might be brain before I be menstruating. A lot, and a course of our dinner. And this a baby, I know better and say, Obenya symptoms be. And sana, walk her had a crowd there, Yareba back and the burial. It is all Bible so fibroid, and only fibroid, yes, can't pet no here because you mean for your new show, but I'm confirmed.
I know who say we all.
You go, baby, no, any fibroid or more for your casicaka. But to be so flat on me, still when you're fibroid. obi kan say wa woda onya fibroid and no kra bi anim wo da otuminya wa wo otuminya abribia ya wo de ne yawe nti etimi ba bribia nti no na say ba na wanya no hwea then it develops plenty to say the ovary ne na na no so be multiple fibroid be e wa wo de no then it begins to disturb you sanity
nti yanko mema no so de no
mema no de nka be se de hye fridge mu.
Oh, okay.
Yo,
and then one next
and then you focus on man.
So you and your come because na me say ye man so. Enti say akoba ni say ya. Dey na me to me aye na ma prevent me home from near bi a apart from once I can near me to me this infertility number. E bi wo hon me bi a eye me ama setene mu ade bi a me ya metimi a prevent e bi on so e medical. Enti sa no kwan be mo abe na wo se me ye.
Say awodie mu yare we nyina no. Yawo enema bi a anase awodie na nkasa suban no ene se de tie se de ye na adwuma ne ade no yawo enema bi o nipadua no ma control awodie no se de wo se eye adwuma. That is about hormones, specifically your estrogen and the progesterone levels no ekobasa se no be ye imbalanced then e betimi amakwan awodie no be misbehave other conditions betimi aba awodie no and yawo enuane bi a maka wa happen etime boa ma hormones kro ye imbalanced abribia nti se obehu a ewo nuane bi esan wo endro bi ne neoma bi a obeye asoba e be boa ama hormones ne be process ya be ye imbalance sia na etime amakwan ama onso so we develop other uterus issues ne conditions ni nyina bi ye fan nuane side no a aduane bi te se mojanam bebre red meat ya ye nim ye edanchen a eggs eka ho bi and milks and nuane ya mebo so ye no anso na madin every day
no no be edin every day
good enunti na ene this century 21st century mo no mata complaining awodie mu yare fibroid ni other issues ni bebre no because nuane we nyina no boa mo ba hormones ebroso e dia no to nchen a ye onro bi a oba betimi afa to prevent pregnancy your birth control pills binomo enye ni nyina e binomo and obi betimi afa birth control pill bi ebeboa no obi befa emboa no obi be family planning routine bi ebeboa no obi be emboa no and the wo emboa no mostly a temper hormones no ebanesa your hormones will eventually be imbalanced. Okay. Na other conditions etimi start.
E de no ho agim.
E wa wodi no.
E ya samu. Enti we sa no na say ye ba Star Clinica. What in it?
Ye hono no awodi mu yare ankasa de ye more focused on that and we have a fastest and the quickest way you treat awodi mu yare no it being fibroid, ovarian cysts, polycystic ovary, tuber blockages and all those issues no. We have a fastest way be it me treat man if you are enzyme babium because when says fibroid no yeah any treatment na the work room and the surgery no because that is the only alternative we have. Aside there no other hospitals use shrinking methods near the and the other time in my for your aware say fibroid no and your blood so it can never be shrinked out. Okay. And to say the bimunim say yeah blood, clot of blood no. It can never be melted out because a tumor honam no bia. So honam no and overgrow abnormally. How do you know honam no bia? It have grown abnormally. And aside in a bit and it's growing because at our bibiatom is supposed to grow. Now, sad there's no way a benane amanasa because myomectomy, that is surgery na ye fibroid no. Ye fibroid to ho you will know say your flesh. Honam. Enti nyamoja na nane. Enti those that uses the shrinking method also nya solution bia. So they normally fall out for the surgery no. And surgery no, so after surgery no, it will grows back.
Hey, yes.
And the painful side of the whole thing. After with time, it will grows back. And you know, obi o ha wa fibroid surgery not twice. Obi and 3 times. Obi wa also onye biom. The BCBNC. And the one more those treatment ni nyina no. Na Star Health Clinic your other alternative way bia it me treat here. Ebe call enzyme biom. Then you'll be rest assured. So fibroid back on a no, it is no more. and ensign so embabium. And before a year be more drono, you be here pelvis scan and confirm me. And not scan from any facility be facility trusted. The who say oh you treat you with time, kakre be we if free then you take a scan again at anywhere to confirm say ni ho. And then sign babium. Okay. So that is the quickest and the safest way it me treat uterine fibroids no. Because how the no yare ahodo ni nyina e wo ho and yare ahodo nyina ehwe ni mum awode mu yare ne de ye more focused on that
because a problem
hamani
be a worry yes ni onya bad on ade nti
wakan no me fa we so ye wo this Christmas you know ye wo promo bi a run okay that is ye pema 100 ye register mo for Star Clinic fertility package bi and within the package you know omobetia some amount to be pay for once and about fibroids plenty obi fibroid hu ano obi dey 16 19 20 obi onim ano kra
ai mudro no anase
ni mudro le dodo sister fia fibroid no
asemo
etimi fifi bebre e wa wodi no mu se ba ko ba na wanya ho hwe e wo ho acha e multiplies na bia beka ho e wo ho a ebitimi beka ho nti obi obetwa scan be 6 e wa wodi no mu obi be 3 obi be 4 one man be e hwe no some time ago na fibroid be 16 na wona wodi anymore and scan at me capture 16 no it tells you say more than that bit me out because the scan no nye all the time in home bia it could be said the bit me abosa nti wa maybe untimi nimo fibroid a wodi no dodo a wo mu no ubetimi abe register within that fertility package no na ye the sika na obetia kakra na hwe fibroid e wo ho nyina kopem se besa. If say your ovarian cyst and polycystic ovary, na sem kusua ne bebre na no so asay na so no obetimi abe register account.
But don't mean to no na fibroid bisi mi hu obi de. Me say kura hwehwo.
Etimi yakesesa.
Sa kakaka bebre.
Etimi yakesesa.
Ene guye ye ma ye hu.
Say eba enguye ye point of correction ya wa wodi.
Sao.
Yo funa ne dasro ho. Awodi no so wase ho ba ya se.
Na no aya se wonum de space be pa na nti akakaka.
Se de yetimi nyin san yakwala. E ma na timi nyin ye kese da awodi no no. Saa na no so yetimi si ho because awodi no fibroid fifi o ma awodi no begin to expand. Nti obi na fu be say fibroid e betimi amana yes because uterus na betimi expand ya saa na awodi no tie. You know, or maybe over fibroid TB no akwa che or bleeding issues na complications be bri aba ho na hu de obetumi aye ho no na wo san hwe nyin san no obetumi abe register be ka Star Clinic fertility package no na no ye treatia ma fibroid na fi ho ahwe wa kopem se obenyin san otika kakra bi na oti aye na aya san discount no eno echi no this whole month nyina your branches ni nyina ye hepatitis B testing for free. Okay. It is a new status for her. Now they are checking for free. Na call baby. Okay. And this whole month, last month you try scan my ember free. You can say boa mo pa. Until this month in Yinan so you say try scan am free. Until oba opese hu a wodi no ni state. They cause so a wodi no mu say we okay, we okay. And yare answer we try scan.
Yes,
until you free or your branches ni nyina this month and so. Until who be here say obeye sa scan we any checkups we nyina for free e your branches be a unim and what you we nyina ye hu yare no aye be treat no ye be sia 30% so the be ya empo se na ahodi ni ho mpo a obetimi e de aye treatment and your branches e obi nyina so no ye nje for the sika for this whole month for this whole month nje for the sika and you know and train Emma yare bi emmo ma yare no meye den ansa brantam ni ntimi mboa na so ntumi
Dr. Frempong number no egu screen no ase Star Clinic omo number no e wo screen no ase ba do say su bi mamena
fa number no na 0249 200 555 okay 0249 200 555
Edase. Fancy edase. For opportunity ni e friend number no na so register na akohwe wa wudie no mu hwese bibia ye kama ene enye sisi ya de o so for Israel sisi nti wunya be mu ye sisi na no akoho no ye miemie mama Ma mene Dr. Mfancy ha na me won komo ba ko bi nso ye ba ye beto aso. Okwa ba Adom TV Badwam na o hye fisam komo na yeguso de Emma we na happy birthday nko Emma Sarah esi damte free Eugene Steel ho na wode Emma obisa na yire no ai Sarah esi damte happy birthday nyame hirawo nyame nye okese na oni atichu pa na edi birthday no nti wakoma so ebisa de erade Emma ne mremu maunsa na me wo Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services for ewaha omo de evidence based na na no mo amfa enro ni bia megu about enro no ba ana so boto ne eja ko jo ne de odi aso boto because mo de minim se mo ka mo kire na ofakojo wa ha na femi ame ma me so akosi Japan so ewa senti ye no mo bedi enkobo afa Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services penifom makwaba ebi aboko de
onyame dom
eja kojo de mi hu na che ofakojo ba ma ko de me hu physical kra me hu o TV so se bibi aboko de Grace Gift hoboko papa ye de nyame ase ene ye ni nkomo kakra me fan free ma ko so ho na fe one more Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services nkomo nche
yo we de mechia ahwefo ne tifo nyina nakopon hira mo se nenso yensa betna na o my ready so beti asempa e wo ma wo na medical chia Dr. Grace Boydu no ni Grace mbese mche se ni Grace na na gene or gifted ni R no or reliable na ni A no or amazing ni C no or creative no say correct woman na ni E no or efficient and or encourage ni pase oba ho beto ti ni Grace ndem de chia na no pe eno no one will say, me the man me call Grace Herbal. They say, omu bi ano friend say, achimota no. Me na if nyame do FM simbe performing. Na bibi minya ewabi. Na that say, nyame say kan no kre abofu no me no me pa. Antibiotics ni ese sama me left right center. Ti me ko sra me mama. No me bo wa no say, na me say ma me bo wa manum no na enko. O say akusu me ba no friend nurse ne ba ko. E no dey do bi brem na edro ne de ma cup bi ka ho na chese na obenom no menom ye baako mienu miensa anopa na wia na nwume na ade be chi anopa no se one fine eya hahan na ahaban so de you can never go wrong ene no so tumi nka se ena me maame ne so o chese na obenom no enti so be amaka so kwa fetwa oti de be tono bia no na so akon overdose ena ho no so me emma ne tichinom ho hia me ise me kwende me ko hu enu ama meni age o baby a wo hwe me a wo problem any problem a man de ye ma me o ready na de de ne se go for so o kwa bia be che nipa baby da bi o doctor bia or handle each problem stroke no it's the one who be that say to me a high to phone na wo be gina so na so gina so na him na te say e bet na dra account this is a Grace Herbal pay na Grace Herbal o yo ba na o pa wo a de bia me stress you want tafo me my Grace why nya de if you say my pen tafo anya me mama mensia aha na me mama bi di yam ti me fa ha ndi agro na mensia na kan pen tafo na my Grace ne age my age 53 o say me ti want tafo no ene me ba ye wo okwa I was so man who so pentafo na so pe bako and no baby so wa wo be obo ha wo be wa wo bako 15 years ago mba 10 years ago am atiko brania sanche nemra if you say me see ma ade bako ma me tai kan so si brain din chia o baby wa sebi o run draws on 1 point means standing na be metumi stand cent no enye ferry asem Grace Gift Herbal na fido road rosa ube him the search on collapse bi second is make a chairman say mesre and no money this she asin enye ha dwene why you be uko school na unom san ne meya of abeka press unom san ne be say udi cement yen san na nyinsa ma no e say wa ware eba ne ma bra na cement na yen bubu concrete ni firi ho na tumi wo fa wo fa wo ba nyame ampo obabi abonyi na me ma me kan se bi no me hu juri mi me kan mama mfo ato say ubonja no oye o positive ameba eno no enche na bu twa wo etu tie mi a ko check blood group udu mama we be south na onye kwa ukwa ye be check am o si A4 ne de A tatahwe o omo and also obo 53 years to no chima ata na maker ko Grace Gift Herbal ne me bia wunim o chirew ebo kra friend na phone so o si nti ni se hu hia so beba na o da chill entam si o ye gifted o be catch of ukoye so pepepe te ma me ba mamo ye ma yeah, ma, mo sabiti. Yeah, ma, Jonya me boy ma boy ye. Enti mumra, beji wa wo, beji wa yaresa. Problem bia wo face bia mesre, enedwe bra. Nefa ni gie bronye ube diamoni beji. Emfa se are ni ndi bronye na emfa ko new year. Yare bia akodofu se wo chinia unya humwaye no bra. Na ma de bija mo ne se bajire banchi. Ena efese sweet potatoes ema yekromu se twe nyadoa wi uyo ba wi me ne Grace me se nyadoa ta Nigeria for kom ho a only nyadoa serve mami nyadoa eboa won se ma kosua no ye beto aso ema ye number no to dwa fa wo fa penepa ne fatena se na twro we student today how will be me catch us about Great Gift Herbal me no bedin chia na wo be fa no kekemba ka bi na wa na se dan bi na wa fa pepa ne bra ye din chia me anti number no kra was here dada na ofa ko dwo nso age na dwa na ye hwe ofa ne de na de bai
ye no mpo de mo aba ante ekoro na kra me se na ba me famre no
ne wa ba tini pa enye branch efe no mo ofa kan no kra na ma ne njibi
ma no nso a sebe omo nse bu ensisi so wo ta wi esire mu dua sempene mu ya ebe bu a wo yie pa edua yi sa na efre no esire mu dua sempene mu
ofa me nji me dia nsa na o ma asa
waje kasi
waje kasi so yi kasi wo mu
na emeyi ehunu dua yi a se ema no mba Grace Gift no odene ya de aba okro no no agidua bia komo okun
no
na o mu hunu su kriteru mu no se wo ma dan de ne no
o
se efra obetwen to sana me to di na ene se enu rada ye dokota panyine koro e friend dokota Gebra tia ya no ogbai wa beneseja okwakire duro bi wo TBB su wo se kurum wo se kurum fo kura am frenkran fo ana o mo firi dwa amasomu ana mpe wura de na okwakire ya o mo hame ana o se ne okwa domo a fa ko domo
amen
na ene se wo hapetan hen ena yakoma ya de
moja brosho
heart disease
okay
ana sugar disease esichiri ya de kanidini pa diabetes ade ba no amani din de no age adwa opam no awonko besrew se bi wo so a wo so de anopa enkunuma ya mo fure no wokuru twitwa nkunuma hwe no antwitwa na se de wo de yesatoro kan no se bi ekura twamo miensa kunuma ba se num twitwa na fa je ne koro je ne mu baako twitwa fa ka ho na fa ensu hie egu hu bu aso efiri simaduanan enum ede kondon hwere baako so no hwie kopo koro bono gwa utumi yi anopa ne anwumre bia ma hwiga no e ba fom na akoma ya de enso hwiga no asichiri
na hwiga e wo fa
ma akoma ya de enso wo so a wakoma ebo peripedi ne nyina eko ana wo yo ba nso a we de nkanka ho wo de ko diabetes ne akoma ya de enso esa aboa ma 7 preduasa o montede ade ye mahipa na se wo anyi oba wo ginani wo bo homode no ho fifire no watwi nani te se no hwe ne tetefo ekro bi kura de enye wo mu aya no mo wetwe ngon no wani abere na teta no sa de tututu no de hu baabi koye na beboa
o enti ye ebre na so enti so tire kwa pacho
se ye wo nu atwemota petroleum
atwemota petroleum
ye ne family laugh international school na hwe ne mu ebinum so frɛ ho ne boy town wo de wo ba frɛ doctor number we cello 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
cello
00
tele cello
30
cello 54 tele
0543
tele 2
32
cello
00
tele cello
30
ofra ebe mu adade hen
na wa direction na the Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services into see we na ye adwuma pa
ye ne de mema omo kompam wo peso ho ye den na to ekwachiri a ema mpagina agene ena ma omo preparant we mpra na wa
na so ka say no ema no moja so moja entni ya
enti ekofe
ena ma komo so de ema komo so ma me bi no komo de wo ho
me sere so woni di amandwe ana oba no so se wonya hwe o ntro so no a enwe mane mra ansa no wa
ndesa waso be se
wa akobo fi wura punu so be twan kan na sika so bo so me nso
eti ya ne ofa Kojoji si hada fe mami akose Japan free Grace Gift Herbal Clinic contact na wase no frɛ ni nko wo sesi anso wa kyerɛ yɛduro free moja broso no aduro ene diabetes aduro nkruma ni je ne wa kyerɛ ho akade frɛ na gi detail no na yɛ mo yɛ ho ban free nyarewa we no mo ho mami na sponsors na say St Andrew Senior High School Kelki Toothpaste Kidney Ministry of Pure Natural Health 3P Garlic Mixture ya do ma se wo mada Roma na yɛde nkomo ati se yenso ebro medidi afia amankwa tamakulu akwasinsia ya krado ede Badwam pensempensem mudie no nso etwaso
kwa ba biem san famra Badwam dwumadie so sabri eye pensempensem ebrene mfa na sekese enkuma kudi makomfo Eric Esiedo se ode akudi nsem ebre no achi na afia amankwa tamakulu enso etwaso ede efisem dwumadie ebre ena ya wada free sabri kopensa donkono ebebo ye baba di nkomo de afa Ghana nkanko enne mpuntuo ehom ye fa na sekese enkoma Hepa Plus mixture eri papa pe na abadwa so obi agya tum enum bi enonu mu abatimi abo ye pa ama ne padua na hodin atimi abam se ne be ya ya ne nkomo bi ebeba ne padua no batimi edi eso enkunim o member bi eton do bia no okwa onsa beka Hepa Plus mixture bi atimi ato Franco Trading Enterprise de bi kan ese phone papa pa na dwosuo ene ehonum etu perform ya ne bo ewo from phone beche edi amawa eye Franco Trading Enterprise akachi ana bekanfo edi amaw say ye fridge deep freezer say ye fan air condition TV ade be de see dem madam ya kono ye kamade Franco Trading Enterprise adawanti onsa ebeka bi atom Kel Chaco toothpaste ensu enemse enkana bi de good body tire so ene ye de atwiesia kopinse se be fitaa me enum so atoso ene ye de aye toothpaste Kel Chaco toothpaste enonom unya be bebo ye patu wonum amonu matoso since be fitaa Ghana ba bia ye go supermarket bia kwa so pe Kel Chaco toothpaste isanse no bia ajetum na wasomo Mesuko Hospital Dr. Kacho say ye hwe moja swate uhia moja duro ama oni padua etimeja na so ya eye City Blood Tonic awode no ye wom no edos ye pa eboa onna enche onna ema no emro so emwani so eha na eboa niem eboa ma ahoden eba mu o skin color kram so bi onom City Blood Tonic be o hira ho beka se ofrabrochi na eba na so ahoden na dia dura City Blood Tonic muntino obi anum bia o kama ye pa o mama bi eton do bia no o kwa onsa ebeka bi atomi ko na so yasene ema yede pensem mu dwumadie eto aso dia ma o ewo Badwam dwumadie so medin de akwasi ensiam ye obedi enkomo ne ma memfa ya akokese pa enkonfama ya o yeboa eke azantana abusua ye wo asante mampon na otwu ne beto odwa se aza atwa nani ahwedan eti ensi abusua mpanifo so kopa eno nwanamo enkaye abusua enkaye nyina se yemamu nyina yakọ ema wo hyeden wo briche kese ya abomwe nyame fa ye nwan kra ensie enye ne nkaye hwe no nyame na ode ma no ono ne fri ne pem agenti azanta na so yema o damni fa dwie ene amane hunu sanso ena anopen so bia odi birthday bia so no yeah, wish you once again happy birthday uncle F my former president John Ajekum Kufuor sanso ena board chairperson edema Youth Employment Agency Mrs. Anita Kusi Boateng also na your birthday mami yeah, wish you all the best especially from the papa himself osinya menshira na onyo kese kopem so be kese pa also from Kofi Wabek Ampadu and so I wish you happy birthday. You also wish you happy birthday. And yeah, be fear na ya ba be di birthday. Nyame shira no nyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa ba bedi nkomo de afa haircut to senye haircut to ya eba ban hye ye ode agu akwa mu se obeboa me de restructure ekaya Ghana edie se o hwehwe oman ekaya ye dimu a ye twem be se 400 billion Ghana cedis o kekaya ka nyina ye di ebom edetoto enema ye wo emamu a be se 105%. Ba o TTB MBJJ and Hosu and as a wunya around 75-76% to GDP. Buying as part of IMF negotiation year okono. And she be a odi eba ayesen. Kwan be na betimi afa so acontain ye kana ye didada. Already Finance Minister Honorable Kenofrata Kamiati says because of cedi depreciation year e kan ye pa afi entino. Ama ye ka ye dino. Besa $7 billion and aba beka ho. Ye ko IMF akwa kusiki for a bailout of $3 billion. Etianu kwa sautia cedi depreciation ka arabeka Ghana e ka ye dada ho kra no. IMF ne kra sortimu only $3 billion na ka $4 billion ewo echiri. Abasi as part of measures so betimi aboade ya contain sa eka na oman no ede no ebi na 2023 budget in for the betu just say yemfa manfo adwuma kam 2023. 2 abai ede enhye bi eba sa enhye no ebeboa ama wona ato bond government bonds ya monam enwumako so wonam banks so nam brokers so ana mo kambo mo na mo kokotoye no aban ne nhye bi eba ya san hye ayese emfaso so wonsa etimi kan wonsa etimi ka san faso because aban sisi ekese sikani ho it was for the whole of 2023 wa hold the government bond bia through company ya eye en carbon bond ni bia mo kotoye no enya dia obenya interest eye 0% interest. 2024, abansi obema 5% interest on your bond. Abai adwuma for your pension scheme and penifo de kwakwa ono. I raise concern. Major Labor Union, from Teacher Union, Ghana Medical Association to all other trade unions now. Or mas mom can say or mom penene and prechna. But before that, Sika aban etwen miso betimi gather through sa bond year or spread for babese 3 years no eye bese $137.3 billion from pension funds to bonds to whatever ya ban sa betimi asoso na ya kra se de be ya e kanu ememene o my Ghana eno no. Another critical question here na adwumafuo ebisa eye se Mr. Finance Minister, Yajia Tum Yatiasia, Sempo ye konesa. How sure are we, say, by 2032 years, 10 years from now, that percentage now they are toward the amount so bet me the amount for your bond na ye keep it for this number of years, no? Yes, bet me akasa interest no. Okoye international trade biya adibi won makosi broni efe ne proof of fund se me ton camera usi oh metimi ato camera na $1 billion so metimi ato o se ne mpato ma bibi efe ne proof of fund ye tese ampa you have the financial muscle so wo sikasem wan hodi se ade ne me to the ma wan para so metimi ato. So one ade ba kwa finance minister want to find out, can you give us any indication to tell us, say, by 2032, the percentage of interest you are persuaded to your bond na ye kipi our government say for the next 10 years no ye sabet mi akasa interest no. 2, your economy no ene ne ho. Ghana economy no ene ne ho. Ye import driven economy. Enti adika krebi ebesi wo amama odo no mudi dwaso bia no e kan yen ebi ene Russia Ukraine war ena ye ka say obi enim da santoko we beba na wieye abai excuses say ode ema as a result of the etie wa ho yehiem no Russia Ukraine war edima kotini ye pa. So abai e wo sika bia wate ade ato nchen to cater for another in case it happens. Global shocks send saka from COVID any Russia Ukraine war. Abai wo sika bi wo baabi. Yes, assembly eto Ghana kwantim fear. One na be pene say yemfa yesika ne bond no ento fan support aban in this hard time no. And pedu one ma bosh na aban ahye no obetimi edi so. So now, si abeji pokra atumua, what Ghanaians are seeking from the finance minister na ASM, can you give us any proof? Yeah, just ampara say, ye jay yesika edi mamo. So for the first 1 year, 2023, ye interest biya. The next one, you 5%. The next one, you this percent. You this. Me part a 10 years from today. You bet sabet me account your principal, any interest. And could do a man some ye another story in some farm mayana. Ababet me myself prove no. And now ye can say, Mr. Finance Minister, Adia Bakwa Manaya Diama Ghana for Bekoswaji Wadi, a IMF, bailout once and me buy. And you said it clear. Most of your year levy to ya okwe na ukasi sujia. Plus your deputy ministers of finance, especially Dr. John Kuma, even on the floor of parliament, House of Records, stating emphatically that government will never go to seek for IMF bailout. Where are we now? Based on this, Ghana for GDA, our finance minister, Ghana for GDA, or the finance ministry, people can't trust you on this. There are some other political undertone, baby, other questions, if actually also makes meaning. Because some people raise concern, say, what kind of right I can how many years? 2 years, but on the finance minister, they are by a so maybe you are finding a way to contain you 2 years now, Abano. So first 2023, my interest beer, 2024, my 5%, which is a little bit easy to come by. But 2032, the government to come over and say percentage now, how did you come by that percentage figure? How sure are we saying we do not Ghana in now admitting that obligation? Is it say more ye be the atu say the next government na within 2032 no will suffer from niamuye ne ya na. And the political undertone people also want to find out. Because a survey Jabe ni abodi atu odi ama the next government that will be in power in 2032. Whether MPP na air so, whether NDC na eba, whether CPP, whether PNC, APP, nwam na eba. Dear Shishena, by 2032, government of Ghana benye sika to meet that obligation and commitment. Yeah, who pay amount for Adom Uremi. Mr. Finance Minister, another question of the posture of you and your ministry. Already the advice. Yeah, Finance Minister, Attorney General, and say Ekosiki Yana, Mr. the legal advice. When you read that legal advice, you Okosiki 4 issues, you have no pay legal advice. Mr. Finance Minister, me pacho, mami ready waha. And I'm quoting from the response now, Attorney General, at the Emma with letter now the Eko Command. Or say your letter bears a request for the legal opinion of this office on the following questions. That's the Attorney General's office. 1. The legality of a unilateral attempt by the government to introduce CAC are collective action clauses, directly into the bond agreement. Ebi ana ontiase. I'm family tree kasem. Finance Minister efutu ya okwaji wa amamrem de free Attorney General antani yese. Attorney General enhwe Ghana amamrenim. Se koba se ono as Finance Minister. Opese sa enhye sa debt restructuring program no de ba no. Any sa bond containment no. Opese oye ne force ɛhyɛ Ghana for so a and omo be affected na Ghana mamra ema okwaya na. And this is the posture of our finance minister. Okofa obisika sika ye moja enye moja nka munye bi nyene. Okofa obisika, you are finding a way to make it force. Se opo one po me assure so me ji osika no for the next 10 years me farm out when I'm person year. This is the intent of our finance minister, and it's dangerous. And I don't know, Attorney General, you are no. This is page 2 of the response here, Attorney General Edemao. Or you are no page, I think it's page 4. Ekacho said Ghana mamremu adia yes simple kra contract agreement. Simple kra basic of our laws. Eye se opese o tender an our mendi obi contract. Opese o yan sakre wa pama ni obi akontemu a. This afanu ni nyina agye tumti bibie no yefen so betimi ya hye nipa ne so. Finance Minister Amfans wonum na tie fasade wa tu trim ohye will run through the 4 point for legal advice from the Attorney General. Point 2, the plausibility of an indirect approach by passing an act of parliament or legislative instrument enacting a collective action mechanism in relation to bonds, including the voting percentage threshold for effecting changes to the bond agreement as a general law in Ghana going forward, and the timing for the passage of such an act or legislative instrument. Afe uyi se osinka abana de ne pe ede ohye ebeto won ebe affected national obisa eye Attorney General say ye betimi afa kwati kwan bi so akoji amamre free parliament ne ye no aba be hye wo ebe ye affected no se be wo po mu mpo ye be gaji omusika no wentimi ankwankoyi. This is the mentality of our finance minister. Point 3, whether under Ghanaian laws, executive action, that is executive instrument, emergency powers can be employed to impose collective action clauses, CACs, on bondholders. Afi se parliament enye possible. So ebetimi apekwan so amampani issue executive instrument. Se mampani be gina ni tumi Ghana mamrade ama ne so. Ayi emre bi say Mimi President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo me hye say Ghana ni bia owo bond ye collective bond. Bia me de mensa to so. Say na me pese me ye no. For the next 10 years on sanka o pese on saka e bia say and e be affect usika no. This is the mentality of our finance minister. Point 4, whether a voluntary engagement, considering the commercial contract nature of this transaction, can impose CACs on bondholders. So, Honorable Kenofreata, meaning the mentality and kasa na penny sabi any diemu meanfo ni mu nya form with all due respect. But you see, you have a challenge, Mr. Minister. You have a serious human relationship challenge that I think you should work on. Me can we have an ababesi so say, ye levy started, you know. People called on the finance minister say, 1, start engaging the public. Let them understand ye abai person wo ye. Any deity abai person wo de ye levy ba. One fee. One for be asem because maybe you are thinking, say, a work over thing. Engage other stakeholders, be mobile money agents, telcos, the general public. You can be a wealthy. Afe ye levy kodum pen swa na emoye de no. And asa ko fa ban sike be na so ye to. Sini Ghana fa na nyina hia Ghana for. Something that could have been dealt with from day 1. And then just 2 mama ye levy be safaye. And now uma wa kontebu wa usaka to aso biem say delay in the passage of ye levy T and a ma Ghana about to be sika no so nyampa to dem say who cause am. Mr. Finance Minister, who caused harm? Where was the so much Ghana for mu? Ama Ghana for tia say dienti abani sanchiwe eban. Why no? Afomu muntia say raise questions to cause the delay of the thing. I say, hey, mu delay. It didn't come so the banana could be on YouTube straight away. And this is the same posture. Yeah, what take you? You finding a way from Attorney General say. Obet me a try mamrebu or Ghana mamreb say bet me a force the Adena Ghana force one. Come on, why? Why is your mentality seeming to be say there's a media by force thing? Niamema channel our sebem. And thank God we have an Attorney General who has risen through the cases at Ekosunyina. And you see, and labor unions meeting no na Oman Kwabra Santene, Deputy Minister for Finance, Honorable Ablanso Asare Kasano, or Kato as ye drew one more, Gabe engage you more, na Yenoma Kasa. Honorable Ablanso Asare, maybe you are thinking it's different, but your minister does not think so. So, Usha 4 points, a Minister of Finance, and a come Attorney General, edging one advice now. Or now you so pursue engage you be. Because the 4 points for the CAC you're being imposing the decision of this bond and holders no issue on Ghana for. That is the position of your finance minister. And yes, someone here said, finance minister deputy is not one, Baku Yemenimni. Dr. John Kuma. So basically, say for a basic legal learning, say Obi wa pamwa yan force abamno e obako force so afanu nyina na gitum ne nyina kai force okay yenye ni say we fan kwano. But the finance minister kind of rata that we have today, the 4-point legal advice of course seeking from a attorney general no o catch attorney general say one sha mamben mu hwe say efem wo no betimi afo so e dey enforce sade o Ghana for so pa na so mpe one person mampani issue executive instrument. No yen show obi odi ni sika koto no bedi ho daach no mampani issue executive instrument ye a F man. How one of kind of rata? How and then with this position you want to go and meet the labor union and you expect them to agree with you after and that's what and now Attorney General catch that one no page 4 of his response. And so the first thing you should do, engage whoever will be involved. Whoever. From the first to the last person, engage them. Because bank now or no at top bond on behalf of Nippon Odinsika Aban. We need to mimpo so bet me jina on kasa to me they say many honorable Alexander Akwa ya beto bond fakoma abankwa. Only say to me no. Also seeking support from Honorable, say I'm going through na a delay na IMF delay a yawa no akofa de aba because kadu en Kenya din but me dey akwasensia happy birthday Manuwa Honorable Alexander Akwesi Akwa
na ena edi birthday na fire no musa no ma fire no mrafum ena birthday yenum jebia.
But once again, happy birthday, no pay. MZ, who be my Basto. We wish you happy birthday.
That's it.
Yamin Shroud.
That's it.
No nyokese.
The year Ahun and it's maybe one of the greatest people in our time.
Yes.
Former President J. Kufuor and Eddie birthday.
Yes.
And for the past 15 years.
Okay.
Almost a day like this, Biano, because it's a Kwajinshira.
Okay.
Me any J. Kufuor story no. Very long that year back. You know, the penanka me koho.
Oh, okay.
And I say, memra mesumo mine.
Sure.
Me we are no makwaji mi shira, me we are na fi. Bako akwa kosum achim dafo e wo mrase bedwum.
Okay.
Ti edamase.
Bati. Yes, so that's Nyaminsha super. Honorable Ebenezer Oklete Telabi MP for Lower Menya Krobo in the Eastern region. Honorable Boko there.
Nyamiado.
Osheye.
Nyamiado.
Yes. Benefit no pay no more be nkomo dia fa o man Ghana nkanko eni mpuntu na dia ba okay me sure say from Honorable Ebenezer Oklete Telabi because it's a mona say minority na manfo de oja etumuchem say mo approve budget mi wa mo ka kire say budget di nya de ambagia to nne o kina so kan ade ko kyin say parliament passes 2023 budget odon pa chonjire mu ni say
yo mi ja mi da si me chia tifo ni ahwefo eni mi constituency for mi party chairman chairman Ate eni mi former chairman Walter mi chia wo nyina minia MC parliament MC aka bibi kakra ansana nkofo beti asi bebre
okay
na we the edma public affairs for no our parliament no say once a while no munye public education especially to the media
okay
na womunti parliamentary proceedings ni kwan ye faso ye die ye no ma no na de wo ho ne say eyampa his excellency Nana Akufo-Addo na jina ne na musini a wo hwe finance so e de ne team po ne policy e de buy financial policy
okay
e de buy na se o the policy ne ba eni nkyere se wa wie
okay
out of the policy no there are no ma bi wo ho no ma afi na ye di ba be fa mra kwan so anase ye be ye no mra ansan na be ye djuma na sisi no de odi ni trimupo ni boka ba obi tun ka se ni so ade hu
okay
e di aba be kire yen in principle no ya ji atum se ye mra pon no kire se every year before the 15th of December no as say oh yes ade no
okay
entino eno no ya ji atum
that's 15th November
yes
okay
ya ji atum ya ji tum wie ye no afi na ye ba be hwe the details ana emra ye di be move that policy no forward na nye mra ni nyina ena ye betumi agi atum keke ubeka ya 2022 ye di budget no tumu
yeah
ema ye appropriation but tax measures no we rejected some of them well okay. And it ye wo ho kwan
ebi ni E11 ana
E11 that's right
okay
and then no the here can say yaji ni policy no say yemra yama no kwan or the aba yaji atum but the details no say or the taxes be eba
okay
and you see hu ahokire a say e wo Ghana na no mani bi wo ho no mo de ba no ye gituma enye yi
okay
entino ye benya akwanya wo ho e de maye na every stage no ye beto aba wo so
okay so me to asia se full budget no eba
very well
moje the budget no as a whole no
etum yes
moje tumi ansa na mamra kwan so motimi achichem dia ma various committees no ama a discussion
ankasa wo so afi mpo na sika ye twedi ama ministries departments and agencies afi na ye ba hwe nyina mu
okay
na ye hwe no kake last year discuss bi ma wo mu ye be hwe eno sika na ye di ma mu no ekwan be so na mo di fa ye ye den se ansana fufura musimu pen kura no puno yes na gi atu
so it means that mo anye the budget na se ho no kura
we will have
to be cheche enfam ko committee
yes okay and into the man for tia say ye wie ye say ye gi policy no document no di tumu a say ye gi atum say ye pese ye hwem so they say we have accepted it
okay
entino ye be hwe
okay
na ya hwe details na hwe say ekwa ben so na be boa amanfo
yeah
na say emwa ebu ho no e betime yie fim
okay
ebu ho no mo a ye beji atum na ye di adwuma
wate ora wakwa I think ye hear education wo hon for ye ko ye nim ye
eyampa na megidi se we no eyesua de nso ma ye nyina menua politics no ho aya ye mu ye tie ho ase ye nim se budget no ehia ye nim se ebre a ye wo mu budget a de aba no enke fi bie ni ho ye na enim
okay
mimi nim ye nua no mo afa ba ko no so nim nanso politics nti e wo se wo ka ma no ye wachidifo ede because we chidi for no say wo mo bre
okay
eno na akɔwie yɛn sei eno na abɛwie yɛn pɛmpɛs wei sɛ bekai kama mpani mahama video bi wɔ hɔ a wɔka ɛtoɔ ho asɛm ɔsɛ yɛduru bere bi a ɛni kwa sɛ woyɛ deɛ nipa nyinaa ni bɛsɔ
okay
ɛwɔ sɛ wobɔ w'anim powder na woyɛ adeɛ ɛbɛboa ɔman no so wɔ saa video no
ka osisi so
na woyɛ adeɛ ɛbɛboa ɔman no sɛ wo aban mu a usu nku ufi aban mu nso a usu enku enti yenuanom de omo kekan ni ade no budget no se ne etie no ebra ye wumi enka budget ben biom pa na ye mfamra
okay na se eye omo ankasa anu keka na akofa we nyina de aba
because sabe say ye fe be playing to the gallery okay di sade na chi bebre ya ebe ha dwene yi levy ebisi sure eno na ahyase no ye mpre hu ntokwa bebre ni ade ye wura harina ekoka say no put say about 1% in pa nkobepre minority leader waka a the papa mu no wadwene say oman no ehia bibi sabre no a ebitimi dia bobo sika no de hwe oman no waka nenso enkofo to amanu gu no so a ose masantwe asan eba sa no a wankasa a wode wo ho a omanfo ato aba mam say yenim wo say unim de na wodwen oman ho nti kokoso oman no na wo yate aba fam because the enkofo be can the pressure mu no na why in to ebi to ye
oh that's MP Samuel Palmon nemo you always play to the directions of chief whip
oh the be say whip be hwepo in the interest of the party
against and your own self thinking of the issue na aba no
but it we do a crunch be okay because me asumesi be dem say and me pe no
oh okay
you will make a mark for yourself okay. A be help politically but say who say oh kanipa na dwene a be gidi say at the end of the day no nipa no be hu say papa we because look we are sponsored as Mr. Speaker tried to explain the last time also we are sponsored by our constituents in the first place beboa
sure
and so to aso abeka yempo eti party interest no emma first party interest in debate yi mu ye ma me esla say ye nuanom NDC fo na omoka say friend say na Ghana card ma omonye na ma manfo ani akire na mo de keke ka ho na minority for sorry ka say they be on withdraw no bi an kasa ejechemu ne na speaker bae no chire mo say we are here first from our constituents brought us into the party and the sponsor wo e wo ne ticket so but we constituents and the do buy it is a wo pair wo hwe baby a obeka ko first wo ka ko constituents no first nti enuanom budget ni ba ya na say obachidi for edi beje but yet na se ne hwehwem ne hu say it is the way to go sabri oman mu baby agina budget ni hia ma ya de bekoye nim na ye yindan no yetime fi ponchira yakoshi mu no a bigidi say enkan ha dwene but the omkeka yenti on say oman for asoremos
ora Bereza government debt exchange program Labor union say omunyi ntuma no pay omuso mo ye meeting be among themselves no honorable Abinose Asare eba Badwam no be kan say finance minister ene pamfo ebe to afa honom to offer themselves say questions be omunti ase a ombeyi omano say na be at least you cannot be on the same page
me that say em say minu akasa no kan bibi say ye na ya ye na no, that is not. Because you see, Okasa, na which means Kabima Minkebu, ye cano. I'm say, on person a yejuma. In a sense, say, Ushe, document a woman day a buyer.
Okay.
But a document a so. Now, no one can say, be a woman, no, you know, a crotchy.
Okay.
Now, Ushe, baby, I could do see, no. Ni nyina gina aban a ontifo aban we antiso no ye tuno for ontie I'm telling you ye tuno for ontie look we are where we are and because of the fact say Nana Akufo-Addo ni Bawumia ni what do you go ni economic management team ni and one full say as they said they had the men or they have the men and you know woman no mu nim bibia utu omu for ontie look 11 no o can say how do you can 1% no during time at the end buy they said yeah meeting said now about consultation and negotiations near the you know the never can be and they need to listen to other people in the time na here discussion no and no suggest you say okay we mun negotiation no can say anka 1% nanka threshold no crown you number 500 Ghana cedis.
Oh, okay.
Because if you want to protect the poor there, then yempa we say number. Over that time, akufa do ni money. No way. Woman tie. If you to anybody, woman tie. We told them say, woman projections there they were very incompetent because they woman jina so the year woman projections no. And you're correct. They didn't accept it. Again, they said their banking sector clean up no buy no. E bi na ye kwaku remu sesi no. Look. We had a situation where banks, no, they were distressed. They needed a capital of about 9 billion to bail them out. So the we can retain jobs and continue to have the local banks, performing. This body didn't listen. And on you offer 25 billion. And up till now there are some banks customers here they know. Well, the same thing I to say. And then, look, you see, operator and his team must listen to the people of Ghana. There are people who do not own banks, Ghana, but they are very knowledgeable when it comes to the banking sector operations. The fact that you own a bank, a successful bank, doesn't mean that you have all UTBB has it. The question is, individuals normally banks.
Yeah.
Any securities fund managers individuals can echo rural banks near they know. Among Fusika and on
sure.
And you say. Say, debt restructuring. I believe, say, you have to go beyond just going to organize. They said, the year of 11, go and call party people and try to impress them. No, man can't. They won't pay. Because the financial sector, friends saying, amount for what do you call it? Impressions are more formal. Affected the economy.
Yeah.
All the what do you call it? Downgrades are suffering. Bebre. Ejina amount for send a woman who the omote the ekoso ni ade nyina. The way a buy way I know who say they will not listen. They nyina kan. And then as I speak to you, commercial bank has been downgraded. And to say a local banks no egusu suffer such a said downgrader. Who say the future looks so bleak. Wow. And the finance minister any abayano they need to do something. Now what they need to do is to listen. Now for people who have expertise now, when kasa with radio. So yesterday I listened to varied, what do you call it, contributions from various people, okay. Financial analysts near there. Everybody is saying the approach now will not help. It is not going to help. In any case, and then say a baby pa Kafuria Tagabadisa will resign. In a sense, say, why are we where we are today? Today we are at the IMF. We went to the IMF in an ambulance. Tamana ye tu no for say, baby are there no come. The earlier we go, the better. And then we are not sure. Say we can even do this debt restructuring.
Yeah.
Say the better by next year, by first quarter of next year, we will some bailout.
Okay.
For the first time in the whole of Africa, default by this, by this approach. It means we have defaulted in the repayment of loans near them. Oh, now it paints a very bleak picture for the future. Now, what it shows, they say, going forward, no, I don't know how long it's going to take us to be able to win the confidence of the investor community. Because somebody must have confidence in our economy.
But I think
put money
no. As part of Manamotu and they call for finance ministers to be sacked near say free sure you be certain confidence can be in the economy.
And only idea mini kasa say can you imagine say woman so you or see they are not being partisan. Unfortunately they are. In a sense say you no call Ben Cross say papa we Sebi the juma no enso ani
mo approach no mompe
approach Ben Biom. No, but what again? What I mean, that is what the law says. Demonstration. We can only use the instruments before us. A choir, what do you call it? Democracy, practice. Okay. And that one, and only heading fast. And you know, said that one must say, Operator, his performance affected. Now, one more sorry, say, Uncle, I'm a young piece of Uncle. I say, one must say, I don't know. After a businessman, be a cocoon woman, business, President Kufuor, whatever they have done. And then one U10.
U10.
But what is happening now?
Almost say, but they are only giving respect to President.
Which respect?
Assurance.
The fact is that it is not about we are not in Parliament to please Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
We are in Parliament to look at the future and the development of this country.
10 seconds.
And if the person who is there is mismanaging, the man has become clueless. The ideas are.
But I say, Honorable Ebenezer, let it tell me.
Honorable, we share the debt exchange program here.
Yeah.
A month forecast was sent a extensive consultation. Many of my yardening, but babies, many of my yardening.
Okay.
It's a program, and a mass program.
Yeah.
A tailored made program.
Okay.
The people they are dealing with, Honorable Hermes start Honorable, and then birthday. And then birthday.
I'm surprised what can say.
Also, because for the general public.
That's it.
And for certain,
industry.
Industry, yeah.
And the industry players have been met. Yes, here industry players. Sabi. The general public do not even understand exactly what is happening.
Yeah.
But the industry players, any must say, all that is happening now, it is a rescheduling. It's a rescheduling. A media no bra mitua ho kana na mitua sheda.
Okay.
The industry players understand it that much. General people, general public for no. Yantiasie, yanti abind the cause on farm my. That's how I understand it. Yes, that's how we understand. Yeah. But the industry players need him say a rescheduling of our debts. Oh, me no dear. You see, I bind the car. On tia.
Okay.
And no dear. A ram kakra. What does say? A ram kakra.
Okay.
So that's it. But you see, we are in an era. Young person better free SHS.
Okay.
We are in an era. Lipa yedema. Mobro for near the yatum.
Okay.
We are in an era. Energy boa akosoro. Nelso abayinse se ne tie bia no be pesika de bia ba. We are in an era. Nurses and training teachers allowances. Ye kat yentwem. There are things like you bet make him. Age be boss saskana no e de atua ye kai bi. Me ye jamiti fie. Me de ne se aka aba fie, o hawa ba fie.
Yeah.
Eti me hihye mu no me fie mo. Mehwe fie na mom wa mabo ho besia me do ka ne de me no beka na bra betua ka no wa prenso ama me na me de akodaachi enima be yi eti no enne no me hwe situation me wom na me ma nakom me hwe situation me wom na me ma dum so nsam ma Ghana me hwe situation na me wom na me nka se me twa free yeses mu o je eti no se ye ni industry players no atenase na oni o medi nkomo o matiase they understand o madwuma no okay eti kwan be so ne be fa yesu ye be hwe ye manfo ni ade it's a special fund that is going to be set up. It was in the statement a wo mom ho beka pa no ye be fe mu de de hwe mo. This is local ye be wie ni akọ international. Eye de ne de ya bedu sa abri. Eye de en e de ya bedu sa abri. Eye de minia waka bank asem. Okay na me sere. Ye tira ho hwe ya ma ye financial sector gu ye. Na maame ekwakoji ni sika kapre. Police ni bu no fram. Eno na ke yenkomu bi. And so government tam sika. Hwe honorable senior say sa bank restructuring
clean up
no ho. Say yet do tnas ne ye kire de ko mu a. Menua ebe wa bofon. Government tried. Government try. Government share wo mase embo eso mumu kakrakra. Se ne ebe yankom be si omo na so. Ye discard mo ma na wo de akoya de foforo. Eno na bi gida court a ye di omasem no. Be di entimi mbu asem no wa ha. But government try but who say the confidence in our financial system had totally collapsed. It is the obeya no say ene menye banks no. Na yen sam peja the last thing ye wo mumpo amafo so mo ho kire mo. Ye wo mumpo amafo so man no egu. Na sabre no e. Where usika the bank ukwa ko yi a. Unya kwa po no yi. What you say? Okay. And so government had to carry. They be America sabre no sika aban time e dey ma bank for e man ye gina ya national is equal to $3 billion. And ne ye kwakoji wo IMF. We carry that money to solve a mess. So that's it. Okay. Ye tamsaska no e dey ko solve problem wa. Ye create abeto ye ho just so we can have our financial system back. And ye ya financial system. And ne obiye ni wona mu a owo doubts ewo ye banks mu ni ademu. So that's it. It no we abeto yem po ye see oman ni igu. Na sabre no way. But we carried $3 billion at the source animal. You think government is so stupid say sabre ni saska no sabe ni enim de be ye. But that financial system ni hia yen see e be sustain it. And that is why we took that decision. And then media they have no. So one more omobo ya from they are working free. Ebi and a original quarter and then she court interpretation of them what I say? Okay. It means that Omani equating for a judge to have confidence and to say no. Mu prosecutors crop no mu. Why would you have to go back and have an agreement with the person who years ago? And I was so happy when I heard it. It is our phone one. Omadi ya kosa o ha mu no. Say aban be so mu no ne be Jesus ka no. Ye dey feel say Omani here ska ti Jesus ka na no no. But judge no say ye twini pa na so a. E no ye.
Honorable Alexander Kwesiakwa. Will you say we overborrowed and idea to be doing?
Oh yes, we did. But we overborrowed for a purpose.
Okay.
We overborrowed for a purpose. Must be a businessman. Medica. Businessman be ni one more on the car. It you notice that Kwesiakwa so hospitals 6-7 year there. Banks be no so me mu. Ni na yaka. Se neno mentimi an so hospitals no mu ma anye yie. Na mentimi an fa more brad. You be say I overborrowed. But all the hospitals are now becoming my bona fide properties. I've employed over 1,000 people. Okay. I paid them. What do I say? But the best year and a year. It will be smarter. You borrow to make sure that you establish. So that is what we have done in Ghana.
Okay. So if you say smart borrowing, borrowing, no bet me pay back some of Kanaya Bobon.
Oh yes, because listen, who they share? Yeah, Dietina Yetia Casa Baby. Yeah, figures in yet.
Yeah.
The share debt to GDP. Sir, share the figures between 2016 2016 when we took over government.
2017.
2017 to 2020. As of 2020. Okay. Let's look at the figures.
Okay.
It means that the figures were doing so well. But in the end, say, Omamuha, tax a henny GGA. And then look at the ambitious programs are on Abani by Obefaye. Tell me if free SHS was wrong.
Can we cut our quote according to our shed?
Yes, so we are cutting our quotes according to our shed. And so Honorable will now start paying school fees of SSS for when the constitution.
And yet too late, say, a friend government say, government appointees, full coupon or 50%.
And yet too late, because you see, at the end of the day, no, Udra Huchire we did Bahoso, and my name be Honomua. Ujai.
I want your name.
Oh, I want to near him saying, what do you mean, Cassa? And then betty way, fair be relativity of life.
Okay.
What way? Why ye pa unza?
You're the Yamiasi.
Oh, to me, relatively, no, or this Cassa, why ye?
Okay.
But also show with the amount of cats men farm home.
That's only assessment of
That's it.
Okay.
It's a young man, Bono. You're funny, say, these are the things, the perks of a post office.
Okay.
But they do pepper so be said be to say you see near boy a boom your move belt. It your move belt a year bono. You tifu coupon so.
But MPP ever power no na omunim the challenger your economy no e face. Any best have increasing number of ministries. Increasing number of ministers. Emma 100% full coupon. Something we could have done to save certain amount of cities.
Oh, the government did not come in to say or increase fuel coupons. Whatever was there was implemented because
I mean because so increase still on 100% fuel coupon. And 50%.
And I'm saying yes. These are systems are now okay ministers and the ministries to do one. This government is a government I the most ambitious government that I've ever seen. Because anyama ye beto ye no. Na I was say your case so. Now you're holding the bull by his own.
But your economy does not support that.
No, but ubeya dia, we dia we this wadie hunu ade wo trim, ubeya uhia akade no.
Ebe crash o quantum fee.
Well, and the business say near bi na yakwa mu no ebe twetwa yakwa mu a. We cannot talk and leave out COVID.
Sure.
We cannot talk and leave out Russia and Ukraine.
Okay.
They read, they know.
Okay.
How this world has changed, how the finances of this world economy is crumbling.
Okay.
It you know, you say, dear Brea, you will be, and you'll be an acquire.
Okay.
And yes, I Quebec said nobody should have ambition. But your ambition said, Aquale Bia will be your school. Our mom had piano, also in your SHS.
Yeah.
Ye won't say, I was a Mlantia school, Yen Juma, Wamo, friend say IMF inti nominati fie yemfa wo madwuma no yemwa dodoano 100,000 yemma madwuma. These are ambitious projects.
We have come back to square one.
But at least within the period no
yes, a severe situation kakra. Honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa, member of parliament for Amman for watch mother. Honorable 1 minute now.
Yeah, Minia Unim. This government has been the most reckless. Hey. And you know the most reckless, and I said that to use the word useless.
Oh,
oh, serious? I am telling you. Let me tell you something. Today, let me tell you something.
But you also know, say, Unia, Alexander Kwesi,
they say we can worse things.
But it mean to us, sir.
They said worse things. Worse things.
Assignment. Okay.
How much we have sent, how much we have spent on free SHS.
Okay.
How much we spent on teacher training allowance.
Okay.
Compared to the amount of debt car you won't see. And then abaya or say you won't trade various sectors suffer the food price the cost of fuel anyway, and then what the government is doing is to spend in excess of 500 million on a cathedral and then here budget more there are institutions like the CSR one contribution towards the GDP, no. At this time, no, you cannot do away with, no.
CSR has been the same.
We did not. 2 seconds. And when at time I see, introduced austere, measures, no. Yeah, the 80 million cathedral.
80 million
cathedral. When people, you hear seedlings, you hear fertilizer at this time. Come on, are we serious?
But as soon as we tell a member of parliament, Lower Menya Krobo constituency in the East region. Happy birthday, and confirm Doctors Asamoah Elku. Our Church of Pentecost, we through Kune Oma, and also be sure all the best nyamishta na onyo kese pamidi de akwesi insiarasa kese kuma wo be kofi ampedu Dominic kese yeboa Priscilla Reign of Nebuchadnezzar for ya ka sound light camera floor managers MC Adamu nyina maso china ebe se